sweet again. You not sweet again. Even water IJ. Water Ijoma. Water Ijoma. He got useless human being. Onyara, made that attention. Oh, now, he gave Buzo, seek and money. That be saying here, Otto. He can't see, who can see. If I get this one, I'm a content creator. Onye mere mgbe eli mpanga ekwe ka ị gaa na kitchen. Ịwa ajụ ite. Asị ịwa ajụ ite. Ya ihe gwọrọ mmadụ enwe ndị riri enu. Ha na-eche ọrụ ho. Ajụ ite. Ajụ ite okponye nwa wibugharị ike. Twitter jem si na TikTok pụọrọ anyị. Gaa chọọ ihe ị na-ara. Gaa chọọ ihe ị na-ara. Enwere m shop abụọ. Twitter jem gaa chọọ ihe ị na-ara. Twitter jem si na ha abụọ pụọrọ gaa chọọ ihe ọ ma Twitter jem gaa chọọ ihe ị na-ara. Agbasa asawo na app. Twitter agbasa asawo na app. Gaa chọọ ihe ị na-ara. Enweghị ihe na-ara. Ị ga-achọrọ ihe na-ara. Ga-achọ ihe na-ara. Enweghị ihe na-ara. Ntụsọ ọ na-enweghị ihe na-ara. Twitter ga-achọ ihe enwere m shop abụọ. Twitter ga-achọ ihe na-ara. Ụbọchị onye na TikTok. Abalị na TikTok. Ehi na TikTok. Ịchọ ma
ego ole ka o eri gị ka m bidoro gị bisi.
Na biko wara m ihe a ka m mee ihe m na-eme biko. Na wafọ na ka ije na chikom nọ na-agbagote sikwana ihe abịa ma ọ mọrọ bụ isi na mmadụ karịa na adas mepee life obede like akarịbedo m ụka sef mgbe ha abịara imebi na biko ga mepee life ọ na-emewe na ihe ọ na-eme dị ya na one from here no nwere isi na aka ebe na one here
but Stone, why people fond of this thing? Mother Bamiala saga do this point. You see
how from here
wow, now they try. Why you not
going to carry on because
good morning, good morning.
Good evening, sir. Now one here.
Stone, morning.
Now one from here. You go to here that mere me and one from here because
Jesus.
I would have appreciated that you are stopping that first time.
How from here? No way when you try to make it come on, when you see Hannah.
This character only will not start. I don't like him. If you know, don't you would have stopped it from the first time. This new character, the Papa.
No way when you see Hannah.
Who host like this? You don't stay there. Saga Avola.
abụrụ m na ị ka na-emekwe Monday sara aka ngwa gwụọ.
Akwa na asara ka m na-eme almost ihe na ihe emetekwa na m aka ha abịaghị a na-agbara m
Ị ka na-emekwe
enyegoro m ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ọga m ọtago
I don't come up for second one.
emela mistake ejechiso my girl.
No, second one. Made the mistake n'isi m biko.
Na wow. Emego m how many people now? Emego m how many people?
Adugo nne m, it is sure na na awụ your second account.
Okay. Still on the Monday Saraka, no.
Emechagoro m almost na
Ojemba, my brother, indeed.
That's good. Monday Saraka, now wow.
Okay,
In the edge is Shania, we go store.
Put me
on in Ihana, put me on.
It's okay, update.
I think I saw the design.
Okay, update.
I never tire. I don't try now.
Look
Okay. Plug me.
Don't worry. Add many update. No way updates.
Biko. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ụdị strategy stone ji wee bata na nke ikpeazụ a.
Thank you.
Osheti ndị ya agbagidesa ya.
Wow, Monday Saraka.
Yeah,
I never hear that one for this.
I do go since last week. Even today, many people now.
Okay, started last week.
Yes, every Monday, that would 100 coins. Just about to pay Gawaro will get been.
Yes, I do go. A man, stone, I carry way good now.
Wow.
Stone, what nonsense? Can not be every Monday.
He said he just started it last week.
Every Monday, Mabia.
Every Monday, back 100 coins. Also, Joe Quero.
So, why the man has stone?
I try go today, I try go.
Stone, onye nke gị na ebe agbasa gị, gbe ya nkịta ọ na-agbasa gị.
Ha, Chinwe anakwa akọja aka ebe a Chinwe.
Agbawakwa nnọọ gbachazie gị bịazie butuo ha.
Chinwe anakwa akọja aka ebe a Chinwe.
I don't know where they led this time. Stone na ndị cartel. Where they led this time? Agbacha saga bịa so zo.
Cartel m niile na-agba no saga. So ọya ka m na-arịọ every time. Na tesi gba saga ma ga-arịọ. Anyị ga-agba saga ma ga-arịọ. Mbozozo gbawa saga ma ga-arịọ. Ihe na Bella gbawa saga ma ga-arịọ. Ihe aka m na-arụziro na app a. Mana mgbe a na-agbakọ mgbe na mbogide na-agbakọ na weekend nwe nkwere gara aga arịọ. Ndachi wepụkwa.
Elengo taleno ka I were ya.
Mgbe mbogide na-agbakọ saga na weekend nwe nkwere gara aga arịọ.
I said before, my friends, you know, my friends in the comment section. But
because I have to put on my person. I'm not coming fake.
Know your person name.
Because I missed him last week's on. I missed him last week.
So that's what I
Last week and this week, Ben.
So let me see for them last week.
No, ma go let go nkewele na o tego nkewele.
So ni ga-enye m ebo anu. Onye ha m kela.
Monday Saraka.
Ana ma brother your person.
Stone biko. Chinwe nke na
Monday ma be gere 100 ko.
Chinwe nke na-agwa abacha nọ na Canada. Onye na-ekwu.
Mba ọwụ ya wa.
No, Canada uche nwa nke ahụ uche nwa.
Okay, but can I awụrụ ya ka m bụtụ ya obere ọnụ like ịbụtụ ọnụ na store.
Ị chọrọ ịbụ nwanne gị ọnụ? Nwanne gị kwa ka ị ga-abụ ọnụ.
Mba ụlọ Chinwe kwe onye mba ọkwa ya mba nke anọkwa Ọnịcha.
Lambo nwanne gị ka ị chọrọ ịbụ.
Ife ga-akparị onye na-akparị gị na mbogini mara ọka iche onye
Lambo onye nke a onye na-ekrut through stone ndị ọnụ siri ike na saga.
Kamu pambiko itu kamu.
Ewu, onye ma, onye. Nne ọgụwa.
Paddy, thank you for helping me. Paddy, thank you for helping me.
Paddy.
The way Stone used to talk,
thank you.
used to follow me.
Stone, I like
Stone,
the way you
Stone, the way you talk,
Paddy is not you. Paddy is
I do
Wait, one
Paddy is a gift from his own heart.
Stone, you will never do that.
Yes, Stone, let me take a minute give up.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know many here for. O tee na nkewere.
The proper Igbo man, Stone.
To maybe your live stream and the work. Kesike wote.
No, na ndị ekwuba ya tee na nkewere na abanye gbagote m enye ya this thing ọpụwa. Onye gbagote m ekego m na up to 3,000 coin ebe ahụ. Yes, of course.
My bestie, Biaka, I share your own.
Ana m enye unu ihe at least.
Bestie, speak to your 200.
Nna Stone, unu kwucha ka m gwakwa gị eziokwu. Ihe akwụkwọ ode give away baba tọba gwara gị na ya.
Menu nke gị n'aka m, ana m eme nke m. My attorney, 001.
Apudara Julia.
Saraka nke taa akwa ndị isi okpokpo juru ebe nke ata. Onye enyi na ọdọ gbara na bọs.
Ya chọrọ anyị na ọ. Anyị nwa ụlọ, ya chọrọ anyị. Anyị nwu agada gbachiri ụzọ.
Kimeyo, a na-agbasa gị onye iberibe chiso na-agụ pepe soup.
My attorney. Thank you for my ministry.
Stone change na nke exchange nke abam.
Mana ene go ni na atu go rules ihe akwa na egbogote on Monday enye gị 100 gbatuo. Mana on just go kwechiri che ifo hu ne just go kwechiri.
Na ka mgbatu
Okwesi n'ote gị ike were na kweni ga-agwa oke ngwa so why you can't they tie us for here now? Can't they won't bite us? Say we don't collect coin, we no want go. We know they go.
Still no way in like. Okay.
Address him,
because you actually some na big screen, Stone. She actually some na big screen so people can see him.
Yeah, my person na big screen.
Call me na phone. Yes. Oh, your normal anthem. Yes, Zarako. Get chatazo. YouTube. We they didn't knock at the fellows for the news when I say she never. Exactly in here.
Talk to me yesterday. Since you put see okay, come hala. Yeah, so since you also know how
a big issue. Mana in a
big issue. Cartel here really big issue. Cartel Stone. Oh, hammer na WhatsApp. Saga day minute.
The way we sweet Jane, we know the sweet again.
To the extent of doing this strong. So I have you feel why you
she never I told me him there. Sweet Jane will no sweet again. Yeah, I'll do it just for Jaya.
Just on my hard day, your mother because I chopped the gum that hard day. Yeah, I think it's a keep as you believe that. Okay. It's about to know what you need.
Okay.
Because the platform Saraka. Every Monday that carry 100 coin. Every Monday that with 100 coin.
Stone.
Because Monday.
Stone, I think I can't see that many. I just forget. I don't think he did it for all.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. First, Latama Kakambato. Good morning, everybody. Oil and gas. First, Latama Kakambato. One.
Oil and gas, maybe I'm late. ịbịala
Operation every month,
ma
the time I
supporters
got
nwere ike ịracha gị aka ma supporters nwere ike ịracha gị aka ịbịala egoro m next time gị bịa n'oge next time
your supporters again.
But he just
how
see
will you
now
get
that
a
now
check
I
out?
have like cover your box. So when he
na ha ebuo na aracha anaghị aka
owo ya ka arachara aka oyi beribe.
oh okay
every Monday now. Adugo, can you buy a gift?
All soft Abuja, all soft Abuja.
Chisom, you a big issue. Chisom, you a big
All
issue.
soft like Abuja, oh yeah, but yeah, that's that girl a real issue.
Biko no ke no bunu para
Fine,
Before they can meet, I don't know box.
Ke bunu para ngungu no shi na my house for.
You're not causing us for grand now.
Only him more than I know my life is
I think they sent Paul, you were not there to accept.
But my life, where they hear that, Yana, Koeba, no, the go money, T-Born.
When you hear my man, like, you know, I be like say open life, you don't even reach 1 hour, 1 hour 30
You slept.
You don't want ourselves. You say, Naya Moto.
imagine okay always said on anya moto always said on anya moto mgbe a na-egbu
On Naya Moto, gee ntị.
Gbani emege no, gbani.
mgbe a na-egbuja mmadụ dị a ị na
Onye ka na-egbuja,
Abuja mmadụ Abuja mmadụ.
Gbara anya moto, okwe mgbuja a na-egbuja n'ebọdị di ya. Mgbe ọ dị
on the bad
Onye egbujakwara no.
Post can down a comment section now.
okay my brother oil and gas Chisom the bad
Owó ni egbuja.
Chisom ko onye egbuja.
a na-egbuja ndị mmadụ na platform esi na
Na stop that nonsense o okwu egwuregwu. Ka onye na-egbuja na my
Owó ni
platform.
egbujara. Ịmara ọtọ gburu kọstọm ya n'ọnụ. Ọ gwụrụ onwe ihe ọzọ.
Ololo.
Onwe ihe gbasara gị na dịtị na onwe gbasara gị.
Bella, good morning, everyone. Don't staggered me in your platform. You were sleeping.
Yes, eziokwu ya. Eziokwu.
You were sleeping. But Stone, you got them 100 coin them come with the way.
Eche mo ya aga
Any mistake, it's even more late.
maybe I let na akwe
mo ya
mmụọ
gbasaga ọ ga aga
Any 100 coin them come with the way.
Queen Mother,
Sweetheart.
I'll send you evidence of everything I have against Stone. Because at this point, I'm waiting a minute.
Sweetheart, send me.
Because he may now Stone, now caution. Because
Exactly.
okay kasa
Kasa
baby
Queen Mother, but on my WhatsApp.
Okay, baby. Because you threw me a video name.
ọsịa titere ya bido
Lambo dalụkwa Lambo nwokọma. Lambo biko nyere m aka na-agbaja Stone. Nyere m aka na-akpọ vidiyo ya eti na-esi.
Lambo 7 na chọrọ itu ụzọ iji gbaja ya.
Lambo na-agbajara m Stone on a steady.
ọsịa Chisom ọsịa titere ya bido
Nne m wee tụrụ m vidiyo evidence. Ọ bụrụ maka Stone, etu a ọtọ m jiri nwee projekti nke ya, projekti m na dis app nwoke. Ịla ala.
nwaanyị a
Mother, you get them. Did you get it?
You don't send them, name.
I don't send them.
Wait, make I lock them before you delete them.
ogo na ala ọkacha meseji ịnọkwa m
Ala akpọla mbụ. Ọwa na-ego na mbụ ego ji arụrụ sofa agwụra.
Lambo nne m gbajara m Stone. Anọ m na-ekwu ya since. Mgbaja. Oh, Thank you so much. Son, you give my 100 coins. Son,
Akwa bebe me ego ya, akwa bebe ego. Baby mana asara.
No. Son, you 100 coins you put now for eba. Thank you, baby.
Ojemba.
Bye-bye, sis.
Ankoro.
When ma dey ka dokwara mbet ya.
Tiri m 100 coins.
Enwe ihe stone na bidoro na. Enwe ihe stone na bidoro. You understand? Stone Johnson mara man no. Native doctors ya were call say swaja. No ni sha. Everyone.
No, it's never swaja.
Oji awo.
I don't know if I would 100 coin ago. It's 100 coin. Salaka, like I'm here.
Ojemba chere ma akọrọ agbara stone ya ga-agbo nne ya shie nne ya azụ na ọ ga-echi nne na ọ na Malaysia but ọ ga-emenwe ya na coins asị oke mgbe ya use ya na coins just see one particular day ị ga na-eke ya
mana chere labụ ka jide onye sara akara aka chisobla gịnị ka ọ satara
My brother. Onye sara akara bụ na kedu ihe pụtara? Onye satara akara bụ na.
ọwụ iberibe ka onye a satara
Ọwụrụ iberibe ka satara nna m.
onye a na-agbasa ga ya na-agụ bebesu ụbọchị ga sara ọkụ ya agụwazie mmiri a ya na-ekputara mmiri
isi na agba msaga ma ewere gị rie ofe ogusi ntisemo
na-ewu na apa nna ka ezi ihe swita ji ebezi ebe a mụ nso ọ na-ezuru ike
agbadigo ya sweet again no sweet again
I did. No sweet again.
na swit gụrụ mmiri oyi man ọ dịghị nje
I'm not sweet again.
na-egbugba apa
No.
Eche m chụpụ
Yes,
ha
100
abụọ. Eche m chụpụ ha abụọ. Chisom ihe ikwu wee eziokwu. Eche m chụpụ ha abụọ.
stone ihe nwa na-egbu pachara ihe niile ọ
The king, I'm going to get trumpet. The king.
Ihe hapụ ya akụchasịcha ya hie gị sị anaghị.
The king.
Re.
The king.
You want me read?
Bella, this is so big.
So my, I want to have
The king of everything.
Stone.
Huh?
Onye ọbụla Chisom kpọrọ ri ọ ga-eri ya na abụọ ọ ga-eri ya na abụọ
n'ala
Oh, God.
Stone itide na ihe afọ ahụ ị ga-eti ọrụ ibe ife afọ ị ga-eti ọrụ ibe
Ọgbaghara gị hapụ m ọgbaghara gị Lamborghini. Lamborghini ọgbaghara gị. Wofuru m ọnụ.
Okay.
Wofuru m ọnụ. Ihe na-agwa m ihe mbe to the king. Toro m ya the king.
na chamaka
Boy, you very even with that. You stupid boy.
This boy is just well over here.
Ọ dị ka story ka anyị akwara akwa the next one.
akwara ya ka ozuzu ezo akwa ya abụọ ọkara ahụ dịkwa menta ka ọ dị na
Masha na-anọzi na FYP, ana m afịa na FYP. Ana m ahụ Masha na FYP. Ọ na-anọzi na FYP awọchị m. They do the bata ka ike then. Anọzi na FYP.
Onye atụkọrọ ọnụ asịrị tinye
I got I guess Chisom.
So unu mara ihe erubi
Chisom. Ihe sọrọ gị si mee, enwe mgbe a ga-ego gị pef. Ya sọkwara gị situ ahụ.
Agora kwa eziokwu sto ambo alambo.
Mba, ọwụ maka Chisom. Ọwụ maka Chisom. Ihe nna gwa ahụ ọ bụrụ Chisom, ọwụ maka Chisom.
Chisom sokwe na ri, o sokwe na ri.
N'anya, ọ na-esi mma Chisom. Eri Chisom ori efu. Anyị ma ihe niile.
Lambo, sacciano, vai mbro na sto by kate sacciano.
Ya pe ya na anyị ga-agba.
Now who goes this man story?
Abụ Lambo 48.
Kamgbe.
Onye a 48.
Now after this guy captured everybody this morning. Now who goes this man?
Lambo.
Now who goes this man said?
Chinyere ihe akwụkwọ na-eyi ụzọ skrubido ka a na-ekwu okwu ya ebe a. Chere?
Tonta bụ ngwa gị ebe a.
Anụ ọhịa, Lambo gị na anụ ọhịa.
Onye na-eyi skrubido ekwesị.
Chineke.
So na itiwe na 48 ọkwa ya ka aka ji aka ji wee wụ fensị gaa jikwa ya ọ wụrụ fensị itiwe na 48 nzube
Lambo gị na-akọta gị ga GSM. Awa kwara m ndari pesịrị ị gara agba ịzụ.
ọpụ ya Disemba ise aka jikọtara ruo nke etiti na gaja aka ya agba ọsọ.
Lambo gị na-akarịgokwa m egwu o. Akarịgo m egwu my brother.
Amaka abịa na ya platfọm ibutuo m Amaka. Orugo nke a bụ nke mfere mana anyị nke a bụzi
mba o butụrụ gị chi o butụrụ gị kọpụ.
Anyị na ya platfọm ibutuo m Amaka.
Aha gị Amaka.
Chi o butụrụ gị kọpụ.
Aha gị Amaka.
Nke a bụ nke
George, ebubo maka ndị na-agbatara ndị mmadụ saga ezi a.
Ọkwọsọ na-agbata mmadụ saga o tiwele ọwụ aha gị Amaka.
Mfụrụ eziokwu m ekwu ọnụ na nkwu eziokwu m ekwu ọnụ.
Since when do you start speaking the truth here? Since when? Can you believe it?
Stone, otu a ka ihe esi awụrụ anya ndị
Amaka butu nke ọsọft abụja butu dị ya. Ya na-akwanyekwara ogwu na apa ahụ.
Uche ọwụrụ ya butere gị ọwụrụ ya butere.
Ụta ndekwa ihe ndị ka nọ na mpempe. Anaghịkwa m ya. You did that, Amaka. Okay, no problem.
Ịma na otu anyị nọ na bela amaara ihe ji agbachitere ọma na ahụ na-eshi America. Ịma na ọnwụ ama
Apụ na nwa obere gara aga ịgawa UK. Ịga UK na ka onye nwere zoro gị ike. Ịga UK na ndị UK hapụrụ ọrụ. A ga-ahapụ. At least Lamborghini ga-eburu m ụzọ aga na UK.
ana m aga UK ana m ọfụma kọntrị nọ n'ọfụma
nna o koruzina nke gị nọdụ ọfụma nwa anọkwa m ọfụma ebe nnọkwa
iwe
oke isi ya ma ọ problem m na unu na-enwe ị ga-anọ ọfụ onye ọzọ ama nnọkọ ma ọ nwere abụ nke nna chi biko kọpụrụ ma ya atọ n'iro
nọ n'ebe a na-agba ndị ọzọ saga abịazie ire bịa nwee dị saga bịara ịbịa gba kem to pass a message Amaka ebutuo isekwa m you did all your platform ebeta nwere ka esi eme
Stone, ka ndụgodu gị Salaka ọha na-eme ọma rute chi amazi m ụlọ plan ihe a plan
chi agbakwa na anyị na-emekwanụ Salaka na ọgwụgwọ m chi mana ebiri mmadụ a na-eke n'ụha mana ekego mmiri nneta ọgwụgwọ
oke mmechipụ ọnụ iri gbara 3,000 coins ihe nkebe eri n'okwu okponyoko coins
na mgbe emere gị ibudo nna George nne m George, thank you for supporting my ministry.
Akịrị tagbukwe gị akpụkwara m ahụ.
George egbuola m George ọkwa m nwa ahụ Ihe dị like ajọ ọjọọ na-asọpọtụkwa n'ihe ọbụla m na-eme. Bebe. Bebe. Bebe.
na-arụ ha na-abịala m nọ niile ị na-arụ ha na nọ niile
Lamborghini azụkwara ike zụkwara ike Lamborghini
so na-eleghị inwe ike gwa asụ ije ikpu na ma o ji eshi nne
Sita ije agwado ikpu na ma anyị ji shefi wee shie nri ị ga-ọsọ shefi nọcha n'ime afọ anọ ha
So biko on a serious note, we could go the moderator man, because I'm nwere the flag every timara bia bow me here and my moderator and her run kemgbe nyere m ya biko wepụ ya.
Mmadụ takwa obo okwu gị gịnịkwa?
Wepụ ya achọ m ya wepụ. Because moderator nyere m anaghị arụ ọrụ so there's
no can you understand that ihe eshi ọkwado m n'aka?
Wepụ ya ọsọsọ mụnwa ọkwa Temi complained to you the other day.
Were dị na arụ ọrụ
nke ka anaghị arụ ọrụ tu wepụ nke m biko.
N'anya nke Temi na-arụ ọrụ nke dị ma na-arụ n'ọrụ na kezi ka nkụ na-esiri arụ ihe esiri ọnụ m n'aka na mmemekwana gịnị
ọ ihe m jisi gị wepụ ya dị na ọrụ na ịchọ ifix ya if not wepụ as achọghị m achọ sef wepụ ya.
Ọ chọrọ ifix ya si nke ọma ihe na-eme
wepụ that's what I'm telling you now just comot am completely.
Mara ahapụ ya biko mara ahapụ ya jos hapụ ya jos na rapụ ya mmadụ ewepụ ya ebe a nke ọ ya adị.
Biko no, please somebody help me. Come take I got on at this place. Remove yourself from me, moderator.
George, mmadụ ewepụ ya ebe a nke ọ ya adị.
Mwapụ akwa gị ọnụ mụnwa ka ịchọ iti na nsogbu.
Na ndị a ụlọ egbugo m na aapụ a so na-ebere ibu na ihe esiro m n'aka ọkwa sọsọ akụ nne ghọtara destin
so ka ihe ịchọ ka ịghọta na
nne m ghọtago na ọhụrụ m na-eme datin.
Use your two hands. Abeg help me how I want it. I feel dey for this bus comot am.
Aka ịtụrụ uga arọfịa the next person ma blọk na
Ugo nyere m aka biko. Remove yourself. Abi Ugo put me through biko. Takesha anọ the other day na-agbasa aka ịma na a na-atụpụ okwu ya ma na-ele anya nnọọ ara na-agbacha ndị mmadụ bata ama bụ onye mere ya mute ndị iberibe wepụ ihe a biko.
Mana ụlọ na onye mere mute na nne m akwụmọ ka a ga-ajụ ma akpọ
ị na-eme mute ọnụ
the thing no dey work ndị osu buru m kanka badge na-akpagharị.
George aka ị hụrụ gị ụlọ egbugo m na hapụ a amara m nnọọ ihe m mere ụnụ ihe esiri ọkwara m n'aka.
At least strategy a na-egbu mma mara oke my food dị ihe a na-arụ ọrụ ịghọtara nke a na-arụ ndị ọrụ a na-afọrị ndụ m.
Mana George ihe esiri m n'aka believe go na ihe esiri m n'aka.
Ngwa wepụgodi ya now. Ngwa wepụgodi ya reset ya then tiachi ya back. Ọrụzi na ọrụ ha ọrụ.
Ngwa chee ka m mee ya na
wepụcha ya.
Chee ka m wepụcha ya na ka izuo ike ka ezebe esi ewepụ ya oke nwa remove.
Iwepụ ya then
ewepụgo m ya.
Then reset is your phone.
Not the set my phone.
But still no, women are also nke m na-arụ ọrụ. Echete m the other day na complain. I think all they can do like 4 or 5. Now see that the more now. Kezi your phone.
Yeah, but the kid doesn't know. Kezi ki yachi, but the kid doesn't know.
It's here all the buttons on. It's here all the buttons on.
But if we're back, mark everything.
Okay, when they are now, check and mark everything now.
Everything. Bella.
Hmm?
So you feel Stone does not know this thing you are talking about? Now they carry Stone play. Stone know what they do. You know
what? Eti ego mia. Osiro kwa mnaka o. Osiro kwa mnaka eti ego kwa mia.
It's here all the greens.
Bella, try and drop
yes, neti cream everything now. Man, just Ghana careful. I
can't drop you. I can't drop you.
Stone no one. Pierre save.
I put him safe now. I put him everything. That's it. Me, I'm not saying I don't know. I don't believe them. You believe him? Me going to get one. Nah, Onto the point of Maro Kudi or George. George, you sit on that.
But one run we put say
George, when they ask, na mother forgot the cable, the torture.
I tell him because I tell him more innocently. Mba, we say one run we pay.
Somebody will put that in our bad room. Because the way your mother is never. Ye butte, ye bugote. This idea.
Okay, Mara.
Ndị na-esekwe n'ige na dowe na mgbe m na that guy a na-atụ anị ma blọk bụ me ya gawalụ onwe ana m akpọbụ ya afa bifọ mmụọ na-akpọ ya kemgbe mgbede ya blọk nke mgbe na-agba ya n'ebe a na-akparị nkata oburu onwe bịa
Anyam na the blood. They don't blow eyewitness for eye. They don't blow eyewitness for eye. No.
The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
Bella eyewitness in so many cases. So
they don't blow eyewitness for eye. My sister anọchiele m bịa ka nkọrọ gị m nọgidere otu ahụ last week nọgide nsị ka ịdị ụdịrị ochu na-agba m ihe a m ga-were si sọtụ n'ọkwa mmiri ọkụ sawa ahụ onye abụrụ problem ha gawa biko
onye bute ọya ya gwa onwe ọ bụrụ mmadụ na ọ na behind that don't do saga ebe gụnwa bụ onye ara gụnwa bụ onye adị mee drag gụnwa adị mee drag ọsịa behind that don't do stone ọkwa ihe anyị na-adịdeba na-ekwuba ọkwadịsi na-esewara anyị na ndị okwu you don't do saga but ịchọrọ ịnọ na-asụ mmadụ wee na-agba ndị ọ bụ na
nnukwu ọsụọlọ ya wụ ndị ọwụ stone na ewudo onye iberibe
stone mana nchọ mgbe afọ nwụrọ ka esi eme
nna bere ka ngwa ihe problem kwa amakwana m ndị unu na-ekwukwanụ
ị na-eme na
ihe na-ama that is the problem onwe ihe na-ama
Vera ime ma asọ m Vera ime meji ala ka ị na ha adị ihe just ị na-ekwu okwu na-akpa afọ ka m na-aghọta onye ị na-ekwu
Bossa ga-anọzi n'akụkụ ndị mmadụ stop blackmailing people stop emotionally blackmailing them iji dị isi mmadụ na-abịa na-achakọ na WhatsApp
that statement he used na emotionally blackmail otu
ha blackmailing
nga mewepere ha ebere m si ya this is bad this is this mmakapụta si ka m bịa mistake
emotional blackmailing when you now hear from the other party if one defend onye ife na-emewe gị I don't dey talk am ejina emotional blackmail a na-eso ndị mmadụ stop join is n'ishi and like I said yesterday I came up to that one dị ogosi na enwere ihe iji agosi na ibuba na idiot ị na-akọ ashịrị na-akọ nnụ nwaanyị anụbeghị m ofu sef ifu nchọ ịmanye aka mgbakwa nkịtị ka nnụ ofu achọrọ m ịnụ just half in fact 1/3 of anything iji mkwuo ka mmadụ mmụọ chi gị ọzọ ma gị nwa ma ndị kwụ gị n'azụ mana ka akwụ gị n'azụ njikọta unu mgbunye unu ofu akpa Ghana must go bịaka unu ọnụ njide gị ma ndị anyị na-eme emotional blackmail ị na-agwada ị na-ashịrị ashị a bikos ozi kwadoro gị n'ọnụ njide unu ncha ntị unu na Ghana must go kweri unu egweri ka o si ụmụ mbamba nshi
ya daalụ
obi gị dajụọ biko nne
onye Judas Iscariot ihe a
onye kwa biko bịara anyị
Judas
nna o
Chimo Judas Iscariot ị na-abịacha here Judas Iscariot
anya na-ese okwu n'ọnụ ọnwa ka ọ dị na ihe nchara mmadụ ezigbo ihe o jiri ị na-anụ na o ji ga-ekwu okwu na WhatsApp
my message
I go call una out one by one.
Don't blow eyewitness for it happen.
Unu chani dey involved. I no go spare one person.
Bella.
They don't blow eyewitness for it happen. They happen more.
I wait for my message.
Judas, hap Chineke na.
Ibenanga
Don't
be love.
Mba, mụ na Bella etokwala more than 4-5 years. Ọ bụrụ ọpa ihe taa.
Biko go to her DM. I ukwu n'aka ga shebi jai hụ na your message. Wanya anyị topic. Chinyere mute ole na anya anyị topic.
Mụa. Weta topic biko. Asị topic.
agbasa gị ebe mute gị my brother iwe wena gị just mpasa message Adam agbakwụsị saga ịghọtago by no means say we still dey again ịghọtago
soldier never dies.
Soldier never dies ịghọtago ebe si aga ịbụ na ịda agbasa ga ekopụ ihe gbasara ashịrị because ashịrị WhatsApp bụkwa saga ka ị na-agba ndị mmadụ. I'm concurring
with you now. I'm with you.
What are you going to say? Even give me the number na WhatsApp. Even Kabuna Stone, see, maybe go to say me and Stone they talk. Me and Stone they talk for WhatsApp. I don't even have his number.
You got a number.
But if you see us me and them do, you go to say.
Oh, yeah, no.
Like that. Stone, I'm not going to come there and your DM was saying on your American, on your American. I don't know. So I don't see any reason why you go use me to do all those young man. You have to go. Meanwhile, on your bashik, you have to go. Now find out any about somebody but it's about ash. You come the verse. You won't use me to do Italy metro on WhatsApp. My own people put any room for more. The day want to go annoy me. I don't go come the deal with again. I don't in the back of the they said this is way
you don't like him. Talk him.
I don't know on WhatsApp. I don't if you offend me, I come up. Even sweet IJ. I don't come up for a comment section for our own platform. Tell and say, okay, look in 1 week time. You reach 1 week, you reach up. So, who do not my academy bash the WhatsApp? Each bash it. You not take our gibona. Any time you roll from Jim Poor, Maggie Money, Waria, or Tobu Nura. I don't open life again. I don't intend to open life ever again. And if we defer my character is what I will not take from any bloody bastard. Anytime no one thing from you, Swanky, at the top, at the call your name, make you hear. I know the cap nonsense. Anytime no anything you do with me, even with Ify or your open again, because if I'm calling you because I've told you to want this girl. Anything no anything, I'm not go like a mom. And also, I bro. I tell our Tarambara. Not Swanky. Tell no Conasianas. He had it on the with you with me. If you don't know, Ify. And I keep saying this thing. Stop fighting for people until you hear from the second party. But you're gonna go on the issue. But that immigration don't get Adama no immigration or I'm not no immigration or I'm gonna do Gaman go today. I will not be talking to Oluchi. I will not be talking to Autumn for Autumn. What do I do when my friends are having issues? I go in between. and figure out what the issue is. If it's the one I cannot solve, I take myself out from it. That's what I do. But go ahead, the accord ashi, that's what ashi of Kuna Donimia. Ichia. So I talk about me taking no one book it that kind of pogodi. About that, I wash Kashaki down with you. I mean, taking no one, but all that wash Kashaki. He cannot be very careful. He cannot be very careful. How have you done?
Chai, she have for back. Hey. Go ahead, me Jaya Wally, just only happy yesterday because yeah, babu. After 1 year, yeah, put a lot.
Like it's like the two never carry up and even was that. But two not was soon out of Cassac. But two never carry you up and I was up. Can you only never can you Maggie? Can you Maggie? Hello? Can you be where you swank? Nico, Edge come Chineka Yogi. Imaron DJ, in the Baron DJ, what I know. I should be the last person on that list. Because my name was him and a mad drummer. Edge them quote. I don't educate to anybody. Mind, I feel to go, what's the end of it? I feel to go easy. Why don't want to go to? Anytime one money the fame with my character with Ash, Unuma of man at this app, I will always come and clear my name. If the fame my character, Maptos will clear my name. Because I never walk around like a woman. I got time for more than a woman. Go on and cat, not if they push you further, I go come. But that's what them can't do fear naka. I don't want it to be as if Nanjo so then I go was sick at your man. But that's what me no fear. But I say I got an acid on your bonnet and the use of filter. A mammo is cooking the use of filter. Only the use of filter. That is why I cannot even doubt what I do go said. Because people get nothing cooking they use filter. If don't cook it, that she use filter too. If when you cooking they use filter. Cooking can get my 100 times. Especially she's a black beauty. Amanu Magina or Bianco Juku and Meshama. Amanka Bianco Juku give me an Meshama. If they force why you begin on the use of filter without filter no matter. Amanu get a maga, Amam can get a magazine. You have told me that too. Oh, no, but I'm not an and a mabro makeup. I don't make up. Did you walk it and take my camera with your motor? I should be the last person can go filter now. Or whenever they use a filter na Nipoichi post video na TikTok, let the person show me. Everybody never they use a filter. And I'm going to go my rest with them more ned.
This Kelly, you don't get guy.
I want to make a myself in a Google filter or come ned. You're not even pretty. You're not even close to it. I told me mommy I can't do it. But I told me Gianaka when they go. I'm gonna make the game like a eh? I'm gonna make the game like a kita. What to you when I ever? You're gonna match me for life.
Thank God this in age the pain. Just come and happen.
Okay, so this one me don't do.
Happen the
matter. But watch me, what we matter say you don't do. Something man, I'm not cooking my mom involved. Are you aware? You about sweet skincare. You might not go and swank in 90 filter. Are you even aware of who you are? Are you even aware of who she is? Are you even aware of who that girl is? From can I look at that TikToker? Who knows that mother go? How come they put this thing? I can go conscious man, Mamma Miwaka. Oh, I'm going to go within 1 second. What the heck? I should be the last person. I don't know about Jaggy soft and what you're Salmon again, what you're going to get to the niche. What you're Salmon again. I don't know about Jaggy pass my message to her. Because some open Perum, but on your bonus fiber on a cash there. That Peron your brand involved. I've started this or make on a Malian ned. But in Bogaruna, the thing I told you on the market, you ain't a damn provoke. I am in a good mood today. Maybe you get it happen, and I'm going to be a marker. ọ bụrụ na onye nchachagoro achacha kịta na na-ekwu okwu ụmụ ihe na-ede maka na-episi m off because ana m ebu ụzọ chie warning. I'm somebody na-ewe iwe. It takes me time to react. It takes me time to react. Lord, I don't want to nebido. All they take him time to react to mother me. I keep on warning, I keep on warning, I keep on warning. And when I conclude that I'm not warning again, if people say, why is she always shouting? Why is she always shouting? And I'm going to go man shout. Getting one. Nke abang gesi kwanti. Because happen to Maka. I'm not all women. You can't say I'm not peace in this app. Now, I like it. I want peace in this app. I can work a peace now. Happen to come peace and easy. I took that I'm open you. I took that I'm because the matter go long and the story go dirty. Very, very dirty stories go come up. Which I'm ready. I want something against you. If you don't have anything against me, what will you bring out? Nothing. So, that's not all women. Type or low. No, so because all these people deceive with emotional blackmail, they have figured out who you are. And I told you, I want to go on WhatsApp saying, maybe we'll still find out who you are. I told you, you can only hide for some time, you cannot hide forever. I come to nothing. The first one, that's yesterday. You want the chat in the first one. I want to chat about back. The next one, I'm going to tag swanky. Okay, get ready for pan 5 and I go get issue once. That one.
Sweet cage.
Yeah, so in a meg, yeah, Saraka, give homo. In which he sent them invite for this one.
I'm here, you last week, you know. Maybe I'm late, you know. It's all okay about shy when I get that. Sweet, every month they gave no again. Every month they gave no again.
Keta maja badi here, kama mama gane sesiala. Keta maja.
Just maybe 6 Malaysian time. I'm out inside. I'm out outside. 6 p.m.
You know feature cam, so that it will be easier for us to run in.
6 p.m. will be around about 5 a.m.
The all spirit led.
Okay, you na share.
Oh lolo.
Na story ke kwenu mgbe anyị ewe WhatsApp na-akpakwa n'ụmụasị ndị a si na adụ
biko enwere m chọrọ ikwu Judge Rabbit, can you be ugly, very ugly, and filter will make you look yellow when you are created to be a black charcoal?
I mean, they have filters they have filters that changes color, but there's a particular filter that just enhances your beauty.
Mother say, I'm with that filter. Okay. They're not serious. The person is not serious. Ha! Hey, I didn't tell you. My boss. It didn't shock me. My boss.
So ibata neba gi kele mado ga just wo bate ba ti.
Hey. So
I didn't mean to
Joya can jog it.
Wait, I want to go number table, because anyway, Augustan or Miwaka Matopalega Banket. Auguston.
Yeah, can you about this?
This is your platform.
You don't just jump into conversation.
I did not insult anybody.
People are talking.
I did not insult anybody.
Nobody said you insulted people. Nobody said you insulted people.
Nobody said you insult.
Okay. I thought you said I insult somebody. Sorry.
But I was talking before you came in. That
was any I don't go
I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
I know I'm so with my phone, oh.
Okay. Ngwa kwuo ya na he bịara ikwu dị urgent, you can be talking.
Adachi na-anọ nwere ọnwa ọgwụ ọ ga-ekwu. Ikwu na-ekwu.
Okay. So George nne m ọ ya ka m kwụ jụọ gị sị mmadụ sị swanki sị ịma ị gazie fụkwa mmadụ ọ wụziele abomination. You called yourself, you came to me, you bring a hand of friendship and I accepted. You know, I don't know, maybe you came for something else. Some people they make friends of okay, oh yeah, the television. So when you bring hands of it's not too hard. Even you can, from TikTok, you can be a good friend in real life. You wanna positive. If you are positive about something, although channel social media like we are here now, we can't be real friends in real life. No, we can be real friends in real life. So, Amahamuna, when your friend, someone that called herself your friend, Lotta from whatever, Obodobuloshinata, Giga fire with your good heart, the way she demanded she want to see you. Onyane, you are too funny, you are this, oh, you are so a kind person, I would love to meet you, Mam Lotta. Okay, I now accepted, okay, no problem. Because, I went here, I'm a magician here, Kiki. I went here on this life, you know, Ofumbia. So now, because you are my friend and we are flowing, so you now say, sweet, I'm Mejiga Mapao. You are with George rather sweet. Mlota Chokam Kaifo. It was very funny and easy going in real life more than TikTok. So I like your kind of person. You are so funny, you know. So Mlota from America would like to see you. It's okay, cool by me. And maybe your traditional marriage just because I have to take excuse before I go to anywhere or do like before. Anywhere in Ghana, I will take excuse. But you can go anywhere without nobody will disturb me. Nobody will see me back in Agaden. Man, I can no longer go out without another permission. So because I know that I cannot make it, and that's okay, I will try my best, the Lord too, because on a abroad now, either how about through Lagos or how about through Abuja, depending on where you want to land. Now, provided it's already about to Lagos, okay, let me use the opportunity. I got fuzzy, okay, no problem. Come Giru, oh. And you have bought my product. You have been patronizing me. You are a good person.
Skincare. Gine kuna go comment section. What the can do na giga church there.
Isn't them? Man, I'm in the comment section.
Gine. Go comment section. You can do.
No. Hello, this go comment section now. I phone.
Anthony Amaka Jige what's the story that touches the heart? I feel like crying. Maybe
I saw each of more, but I don't have that time because my name will issue. So now, you wanna give Mfuzi George Rabbit? Give ya ga kora mmadụ na onye bịara fụ gị ọ marụkwa mma o no filter ka ọ na-eyuzu onye jiri obi ya bịa ekele gị mgbe ị latara ada onye ha bịara fụ gị n'abalị gị so filter ka onye ha na-eyuzu na ọ mahakwa mma. George, can you explain?
I cannot explain. Yes, and it's not yawa when you say naturally forget right.
Yes, and we have seen it was if you gonna post, me can have them post here. When I saw it was, I was,
So my problem now is, what's the issue
we were
here
all
now?
happy.
What's the issue is that nothing na filter merigi mama.
Mechaze were mo kowasiri. Ofumbera afu ya ye jize mo kowasiri. Yesterday kam no no jiri mo kowasiri amakwane mo. Onye m gara afu gi were mo kowasiri na amaha mo my life without filter. That thing bothered me yesterday. Because I have nothing to talk about you. Why you you people?
Eweliwe, onye kọrọ gị this thing.
Ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ akọrọ ya n'azụ, Adaugo kwuru ihe ahụ na live stream mgbe ọ na-ewu iwe ọ na-agbasa ga yesterday.
Oh lolo.
Because of him dere na comment section. Because of him dere na comment section.
Active.
Okohi asị for ashịrị. Like. Okohi asị for ya mgbe ọ na-agbasa ga.
So Adaugo gwara gị is Adaugo that told you?
Adaugo jiri iwe chere otu o siri kwuo ihe a wo like enwere ihe m dị na connection like saga ha na-agba n'elu life aha ana m achọ ise why Chisom jiri mee ihe a for Adaugo m na-asị why Chisom ji chọ ka agba saga mana Chisom mere instigate that side so ọ dị ka that thing were Adaugo na-achọsị m na protect ha ka ghara ịgba saga ịghọta Adaugo asị gị nwa na-ede na comment section gị nwa na-eme ejikwere gị kụọ asịrị onye bịara fụ na Lagos jikwe ka asị na ị na-eyuzu filter mgbe ọ lọtara she use you Swanky ka m gara afọ ịghọtago she use you gossip etikwere gị na asịrị ha ahụ I was so mad self man were Adaugo nwanne m iwe na inbox Adaugo olee ya onye eme ị ga-ala ikike kọduo m anya ịghọtago that thing were me
so Adaugo no
I was so disappointed.
Please calm down. So Adaugo no onye ọzọ na-agbasa ga gị ide ihe idere Adaugo dewe si gị nwa na-ede
George mind ochi gị si George all this case and I'm a cool nonsense mind ochi gị si
I don't understand George
no wait I am only stating it as it's coming.
George no I don't like him
no chere now opportunity shikora me ka m ja translate kwa here.
Mba, George, I like him.
Chere, you see that. Na Adaugo no onye ọzọ na-ekwu okwu. Gị nwa dee na comment section. Adaugo say, gị nwa na-ede ihe ejikwe gị kọ. Is that not what you people just said here now?
Sweet, just mute.
Abi, am I missing something? Ngwado, ka m wepụzi onwe m bye bye because that's what I heard. Because that's what Adaugo, I'm not joking. That's what I heard. Is that not what you people translated here now? Unless I'm missing something.
Adaugo, kodo ni anya yota. All the confused. I thought you corner the pitch.
I just mega observe. No, it just he just not entertained. Kodo ni anya. Kekwa ni mute okwo. Who about the saga na chima na iya kita take over.
Enokwa nonsense.
Oh, ngwa so gbado okwu.
Go na korola mo ozo biko na korola ka mute o. Chinyele gwen mo. Mama just mute o ndum.
I just not join them. All the on 24-hour shift. When I join you, I don't know.
Word for word. My comment section that all the translator. George the translator.
Why are you now, George? Akọrọ ya George wọ ihe na-agbara gị George.
Ikpe.
Because ị ga-George ọfụma. Because ị George ya against my party, you are in problem.
Problem adị now. Problem adị ya George ya against our clients kpesara gị problem ga-adị. Ezigbo problem.
Chineke mụ. Chere ka mama bụ ka ihe 30 minutes.
Ịbịago kịta na-eme with the person dey shout, sweet skincare na shout no swanky. Without evidence. Cookies for non-use.
Swanky. Iche ni nwere the balls. Iche ni nwere the balls. Swanky. Amara m na the hypocrite like this. So elechara anya dee na m na shout zi. That your super mama ị na-atụ egwu na WhatsApp. Ana m shout. Ọ dị ka ịwala anya na-abi. Your eye don't open now. Don't provoke me. Don't provoke. I am trying to be careful because of the love I have for you. I am trying to be careful. I am trying to be careful. I'm trying to be careful because of I just want natural this thing for you. I'm trying. If you come to see I can get me at church safe. Because Joe, ya when you was about mad, you for don't ask me, say, Obrukoto she since in Anoya. Boy, you are to show that always you could in every room there must be atom of truth. Forget. In every room there must be atom of truth. Man in me as if you have waged war. That's why in a question leak. She happy. I come and again when I go to happy. Swanky. Happy. No. Emma, the girl I just want softness for her because the way only men are here in real life, I would go see a type.
Okay, Master Coach, give the akoko. Sweet, okay, Master Coach, has to quite eat the shots that you're not as tall as you used to appear in your picture. Mom.
I do good devil. If I
lie. Madam lie.
If I lie. Okay. See what you dot no. See what I saw a few taking JJ make sure. See what you dot no. That's cream reaction that you have without chemical all a few taking make sure.
This skin hapo on your do on your non cabo.
I don't go lie you. Chine make I swear. Chine make I swear.
Abu man get feel time on your
Okay, wait. She dey talk so I can go. I'm na WhatsApp.
Pick here.
Also kwa swali na kwa na WhatsApp.
Akulu sa dugo aga ngumiri ato eru do cup. Mo na country quarter. Akulu sa aga ba ngumiri ato eru do cup na app. Mo na country
adugo di fi akwa ge.
Mo na country quarter drop cup. Eba ma no ro onwe mo na chowa.
This get this na akpo na WhatsApp. Us from here I'm not on WhatsApp.
Osi swaki na where?
Oh la la.
Yes. I'm on WhatsApp. Let's send the voice. I'm make the voice. I do.
Boy, I don't go keep it. Magawa shop. Magawa shop. Today is Monday.
Big shop or shop guy na give up the jeans so you believe.
Magawa. This body wa call me. I said I'm here. I did not call her. I'm tired of this, I swear. Today, in case I say I want to leave. Jesus. Na kwa ashere. Udukoburo wudu da ashere.
I said how can I maybe person don't put me, that's all. hapụ m soft hapụ m soft na mụ na gị ama atara m ya owe hapụ m
asịkwa onye ka ewu dị madam ndị ashịrị o ihe
hapụrụ m soft
asị onye kọrọ m dat nsi edowe onye kọrọ m dat nsi edowe soft dowe swanky dowe
chere
eze darakula
Aduga apụtala m Swanky, that's your voice note he sent that I'm na WhatsApp. You don't need to clear your name. I'm here. You don't need to clear your name. All do I want you to do now. And when him jig corner, a watago. I go as nam they use the filter. A jibem get quastre. Manago, I want you to put the gadget now, go dash. A watago from way be a forget.
In I say, are you a cent? What put an end to go bash with you, Swanky?
Look,
I'm not going to say, are you a cent? I keep on marching.
Those saga.
I'm going to get you go bash now.
Chere many as
saga. Very careful. Adam,
chere many as saga, bro saga. Swanky, many as saga, chi. Ejibem get quastre. Mana go one your puzzle got cover and the madam they use fit. Let her to go caution as this number when a dot no. Can you put the top?
Darakula, Darakula, hair maker, go and find your teeth. Darakula, go and find your teeth. Darakula, go and find your
I do go. What is Darakula? Any quick on agua? Stone, give some program alive again. Stone, give some program. Stone, just tell me to do the live stream. Let me go.
Any move when you are from Kelvin Yahoo. Na better carry ya.
Somebody need to work Ada na Maka na enwe something. Comment section. Ada na Maka.
Stone. Did I leave your live stream?
Kelvin Yahoo, what do you have? That carry ya.
Should I leave your live stream? You want to know what? Should I leave your live stream?
No. Carry ya.
Can you talk to your moderators? Keep on my hand in the comment section. I'll call your name on the board.
Come
up on the board. I'm not on you. You never see me on your box. You never see me on your box. I'm here because Stone is my friend.
Carry ya, Aduga.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, people don't put to make what I give a back out. You don't know if first. I give you the put to first, so okay now. You say you've confirmed that I am a bully. Okay now. You're gonna get bullied moving forward now. You're gonna get bullied moving forward. I'm gonna use it. I'll bully you. Okay.
No, my attorney, can you
platform, Yahoo platform, she'll never see me there. Will I come there? Okay, yesterday, yes, now look at she called me now.
She don't mention your man and Kebe so can go on your mention of what I can comment out this gear.
Sorry, babes. Babes, hold on. Babes, put me on the big screen, babes. Label the Raham. I do go. And I feel another one. She may start the second. Oh, two. And I far from your area. And I far fear. And I'm okay. Okay, I'll use it to practice it. I'll use it to practice my
them say all of them they gossip, say no be me they talk to. Because someone come and see you, they gossip, don't have that with the proof. But I'm not going to sweet skin care, but then I bash them, my judge. I exempt myself since they said I'm not the one.
I'll make you find your teeth.
My feeling that she's not referring to me as a gossip. Someone here about that.
I need an abash. About that, she will great.
What they put on you gossip?
I'll make you work on your teeth.
Now.
It's not only your belly you work on. You work on your tits. I'll make you work on
she's
your
not talking to me. How could you not my corner? So I watch your
Let it be now. Let it be now. Allow her now.
Oh,
Since I brought it on Agua. This guy now, yes, happy. Since that's not brought it on Agua, they have to say now. I brought it on Agua. I was on Agua. Johnny, I'm a money on our cast in our money on Cogas in our WhatsApp.
You said I call your name. Where did I call your name first? Where did I call your name? Is Eze Dracula your name? Where did you say I called your name first? Come and tell them. Where did you see me call your name? Is Eze Dracula your name? Is that your name? You said I called you first. Where did I mention your name? If Eze Dracula is your name, you come up and own it. You now have the balls to write that I'm a bully. I'll bully you. You will know what it is.
I do go. I'm going on your Kuro here. The man of investigation came up with them. I'm going to Kuro about this thing.
The main instigation in Peribe, Mua. Not to be evidence. Mua do go. I know they do nonsense. I know they do. But I'm a Zuzu that thing. And I'm a log keep on my and I'm a log keep on my phone.
When she comes tell you about the field.
Okay. You tell me okay. You just confirm this now that she has said it to somebody.
Swank is no question. So
you saga me yesterday. When did I saga you yesterday? When did I saga you yesterday? Respect yourself. Yeah. Respect yourself. We still have a standing from last year. Yeah, you have a standing from last year with your evidence.
Simple as that.
Yeah. You are soft open life for Cynthia, entertain Cynthia. And you people knew that me no we filed our first share. You open life for Cynthia. Or no longer a culture nonsense or corrupt. If you were avoiding me and saying that okay, I do go with this, I do. You people would have avoided everything that has to do with me because I've been avoiding you people all this while. I have been avoiding you all this while. Swanky aside. Swanky aside.
Don't do that.
No, Swanky should sort herself with Sweet Care. Wait. Let me explain myself. Swanky should sort herself. Hold on. No. I won't do that nonsense. Swanky should sort herself with Sweet Skincare while I sort myself with Soft and Amaka. No. I cannot do the three at the same time. No, I cannot do the three at the same time. I have to divide it. Swanky should sort herself with Sweet Skincare while I sort myself with Amaka and Soft. Let's share it like that. Thank you.
Swanky si na ọ bụrụ ihe o kwuru no agụga m comment section ya bụ tinye ọ dere na my WhatsApp. Also ọ bụrụ ihe o kwuru ha na ihe a na-eji evidence without proof. Now why am going to believe in eziokwu without proof? Now I got her. But Swanky, ihe m na-aga emebewu ịnọkọta were gị kwa asịrị. Iwotago. So if you make me, I will not like it. Because I called you a friend the way you came. And when it can't I will not do it to you. Unless I go and Iwotago. So I'm getting from I wouldn't betray friendship. I will not betray you first.
Because sorry, sweet Eweliwe. Stone le kwekwe ndi fe batara no sweet agent win. Hey Bruno wa ha bia kwa o.
I saw this speak here call that break sport.
Swanky.
Bella, story alone.
Give whatever quack, I didn't have tone. Swanky, come on, go from a daddy, come on, go. Immassimo, I told me, Mammy, and I told me about this because I have not heard from the horse's mouth. You blame from reliable source, and I'm first to verify very well, and I'm very careful before my fight at the wrong person. But him they believe go me because Swiss King come on man natural, and your friend says like I said like you said. I put on a live video. Serena, apart from born agwam na since you are beautiful without TikTok. You know you are beautiful. So I did this started. I am the believe this thing. I'm not believing it. I'm telling you.
I don't think any no instigation side.
Swanky. I believe
I don't do that. I do this too sensitive.
No,
It's too sensitive for instigation. It's too sensitive for instigation. No. Chinyere, ask for instigation. That might mean more instigation. It's too sensitive for instigation. On Bema na call you nonsense.
I never said that. I never said that. No. I never said that.
Okay.
I never said that. Oh yeah, man. I told me mommy because I told me Ghana WhatsApp ya joy on. I'm the watching. I am come expect it the mumba hon na bamba. E watara. But now I am trading with no and with telling me. Us now would you and I don't know. Also bring you. Oh yeah, man. Now but because of tomorrow. Because I am surprised now.
If you let it, please skincare.
Wait.
No. It's up to you. No. It's up to you. I'm not imposing it on you. I'm not imposing it. If you let it slide, it's up to you. Let me deal with top Amaka project.
It's a mute to say
that. See, Swanky, that thing yesterday, but it went with him because I'm shocked. Oh, I'm the way you are as a human being. I'm shocked. So, okay, she did not put this kind of thing. No. Oh, yeah, with him because
you know I don't like using harsh words or you. So I don't like. You don't tell me respect boundaries. I do not respect boundaries, and you entertain Cynthia, knowing that I and Cynthia have issues since 2024. You entertain her. Was that boundaries you said? Did you set a boundaries that you entertain someone that you knew that you know he were an issue before?
I was
you set a boundary. People speak English that you do, and people said you're learned. It's crazy. It's crazy for me it's crazy. It doesn't resonate with me well because how will you say you studied law and you don't know the meaning of setting boundaries?
Why you don't come up stop am? Anyway, make I know put mouth.
Crazy, and you entertained Cynthia when she was calling my name. My project in a comment section.
I block from yourself. I blocked her because he were with a man block for her, but she didn't wrong me. Mana, when you're a friend,
yes, I got you back.
When I'm a man block,
that block has to write her now.
I can never say the first one can call her. Maybe I'm one mother, so I can call her. I will never.
Okay.
I will never put because of your corona. Because of your corona, somewhere fit. Maybe the push way. Because of him, I'm not swanky. Maybe the push us. Look at him as swanky. I will not do that because I'm matured. I can't do it.
But that's not what I am.
Maybe you're being careful. Maybe sweet. Maybe you're being careful. Maybe you're being careful. Maybe you're just being careful. That's why you give for your okay. Walk and water.
No, wait. She's a human being to defend herself. She's a human being to defend herself. Also,
no, you made a statement that it's try to because give for your ina call like that. Because give for because give
no, I do go bring him kuri. Ask him, eh? Now, what the money got? But I'm saying, the question one keep, the question keep, I can't do that. I don't do that.
So when you look at now, for you to say, I won't
you didn't get me.
No.
What I'm going to put now.
You're contradicting yourself.
What I'm going to put one can put us. Hey, what kid to one so I can't go. I cannot be saying that. I can't say that.
That's not where you drive. That was not how you sounded the first time.
That is what I'm trying to say. I come up with them go here swanky, so let's swanky. What do I hear like my body? I don't do that. Okay. I will never. I will never. I want to go, oh, yeah, come now, try to say. And I guess someone, oh, yeah, Dodiana.
No, eagle eyes, no.
Without hearing from her,
Investigation. Adugo would have said, not investigation, not
no. There's nothing like that.
I don't go support investigation. I don't go support investigation.
No, I don't. No.
Alleged must prove. Onye kwuru okwu si na ọ bụrụ ihe ekwuru. Ị ga-egbuzi ya mma. Ọ sị na ọ bụrụ ihe ekwu. Ọ dịla ya ahịa sị ọ bụrụ ihe okwu. Ị ghọtara? She can defend that. Ọ sị na ọ bụrụ ihe okwu. And I took it like that. I take it as mine. I took it as mine. Ọ sị ọ bụrụ ihe okwu.
Exactly, your papi. I like this your comment. You say, stop talking if you don't believe. If you don't believe, you stop. Because me, I'm not instigating you. There's nothing like instigation.
Are you aware of this, papi?
No, he's just saying from the way you're sounding.
Aduga be a witch. Aduga is a witch.
I swear. Papi, my about it. Hey. Oh, don't look at me when I apa.
That's the lion there. Lion is ASAP. Na ka hapụzi okwu a, man. Ka hapụ okwu a. Ekwe, this game a witch.
Papi, who Papi, hey.
Sweet, going to come back here, sweet. All I'm just trying to let you, in my mad day here, the way you understand what someone writes and mad day kokuna diche. Then if you don't believe in Hana Gwagi, just stop talking about it, because from the look of things, the both of you are still cool in our water, so that Ginaya guys at the end of the day, they are get away. Box, so just please stop talking about it. If you know you still make peace with her, or you want to do your findings about what you heard, because since in the Kwoku now, in the Kwoku can see if you believe in her. But the way you know Kwoku, since what's under the audio message. Send the audio message. If you want to sort it out, go to WhatsApp and sort it out with her. Because he knows about now. Papi, let me tell you something. From your words, you're not believing Adugo now.
Because I'm not him to believe me. And there one Papi,
okay.
Papi, peacemaker, peace for party for
Papi.
I'm not going to swank you, Paddy Nunu Motana Lagos.
Without feet.
Why am I Papi, tell you come on Catano. Sweet where my Echakadachake, who can eat a wine side, on a senior Jolonjo, more was the only nacho. Man, you will like in Raya officially, no swanky, because I do go be like make instigate to get by one back, because instigate the qua.
I do go, yes, don't know. I am Bozo ya mem je jishe mi akike ba e gbawa tu wan ka jishe mi.
Igeme wo ada na Adugo go she prove because when me ko tam dele ba na ishim na nke nelo na agbasaga. That when me ke rute ba na sigi swiki ya for example wo kwala m ke ya pite ke mana iwe nke giwe ka o she o for example when me ke ba na sigi swiki nke na elo si ni joro njo. That mean give the one nelo saga when na nele ku ya e go say ada na gi record on go she give voice note on go she give screenshot ebe dere ede
I can hate I'm with a Chinyere example. I can hate Chinyere, chọọ ka m jiri Chinyere gbakọta gị na ya isi mpụtasị gị Swiss skincare Chinyere sikwa na ọhụgo gị na Lagos na ị na-etekwebide chin cream ịghọtago gị bidoro sawa Chinyere n'ọrụ ụwa ya ọkụ abịazie jụwa gị ka ezi ihe ebe nke a bidoro ịhụ ka Adaugo si gba ọsọ na agụwa n'onwe gị no proof nothing ite eriwe ọnụ ọ dịzie ka ị na-alọgụ ikpe ọmụma imiriri ihe a swit nke mụ swit ejikwa m ndịrị ihe nke amara gị na ga eme uche n'onwe gị na ha
edewolu idegbuola onwe gị dosagoja aka gọọ ntili emetụ ụwa agwụ the evidence apụta ha aghọta m na-echa like onwe m ana m adị very patient ana m adị patient
ọ bụ na blọk you mee your blọk one na like evidence is to until mfukwa so if
stone kere ebere akwa stone kere ebere akwa
yesterday na platform na-ebe ezigbo akwa no
be Swiss skincare ka swanky
Swiss skincare na-ebe a Swiss skincare na-ebe ezigbo akwa
ịma na ọ na-aracha aka ịma na ọ rachara aka stone
I go lie for you
stone mmasị m na ikwu asị m na nna agwa gị
John Chinye akwa Chinye na-ebe a John Chinye na
ebere m akwa yesterday ebere m akwa because I trusted her because I give trust some mother I can't believe she can speak of me
sweet onye ezigbo anya emotion onwekwa obi ọgwụ na-achakasị anya iche na onwere ọchị emotion karịkwara ya ahụ ọ na-achakasị anya gị iche na onye agba agụ mkpụrụ obi onwekwa nwanyị mebirila akwa ụnyaa ị rachara aka adị a n'akwa nke ibere or start called big star. Sweet you na hapa. Koro mama, koro.
Gị like ya mmadụ like enwere tobi mode like mgbe Chinyere mere m ya pị mana I forgive him Chinyere I forgive him ya easily if you people can remember because of what? Because of the love I have for her. I feel for her. Oh, what she made him love for you like this. And I made you one meal I love much. Go to my work self. So give me on a wood. Hey, him not give me woogie. Because if they put some money for me, so Swiss skincare select when one give you. I'll get him not up, but never me. So now give me Zemia. Hey, I can better gapa. I'm telling you, all him many years down. No, I believe from the tomb. If I that's what I believe to be monthly, ma who prove. What a better on as a woman.
Ambiguity. Ota apụtara sị gị na swanky si na use filter. O kwesị ọ nọ mụ ama nwute m. Ma sie gị ewute m na maybe na mụ na swanky jere ọkpa. For example, na mgbe mụ na ịhụ na Lagos anyị jere ọkpa. So I rode that place. Ọ wụ na ọkpa nna m tọrọ ụtọ ma abịa taa ọkpa 6. For example, ma go out of ụtọ ọkpa. Sa otela nta debere ọkpa o ntawa ọkpa 6. Jawa taa 2. Yotago who go different ntara 6 or taa 2. So know something like nne makwana nwaanyị asọfeta ka ọ na-eyuzu nne makwa mụ na onye agara rịta ọkpa sef nwaanyị nka chida afọ nri ọta ọkpa 6 sọsọ ya sọsọ ọkpa 6 a na-egosigo m yes na ọ mụ na gị dị ete ọkpa 6 onweghị ma na mụ na gị dị ete ọkpa 6 na-awụ ụgwọ that's mean eziokwu as long as na ọjọọ sị na-asịrị ịkarị ibu na onye nke na-agwa wụ na ọwụ ya kwuru ya no instigated ị na-egbukwe ya spirit ị na-akụrikwe ya ma n'ime mmụọ na eziokwu ịghọta m because o mere respect your friend ịnụgoro ihe ịghọtago ikwesị isi ka edi proof ka edi evidence before ikuriwe ya ịghọta m ịmara nwere ihe o dere ebe m ji na-ekwu ihe after sagarin ịghọtago which is true o kwesị Adugo.
Too much, oh. So I can Asaga.
Sweet, you go. Sweet, take a dig card. Take a dig card. Take a dig card. This also got too much. Let's go get those wakako.
Too much.
But this I got to read it.
Too much. I just the thing does way. I'm saying. Honestly, Asaga me too
Sweet, you give me our no need this search was the proof, more proof, super proof. I saw again. I say, you take a look at proof with it. Me on block, people don't come pofu. You have to go. Was there no job you wegi? You have to go.
Wasn't wife for I did them for Swanky. Gadula lady video.
And I wasn't okay. Send that in there.
How happy I was with that. How happy I was. For what I'm Gareth for what I'm How everything you with them on now? Everything you with them.
Yeah. Unye me. Swanky unye me. I think she okay. Sweet, you also consider at least you know under the process you go and no need to go out. But I 1 month to 2 months so we go share to share. But I go because last time we were only as a child. So I had to cut higher. You have to go. You cannot consider into home. You have to mean. I'm going to share that Swanky. Sweet. Into home is okay now. That I go. So you cannot consider child that.
Okay, that's it for okay as a channel. La was those that. He creature mother.
Don't be me by Asaga too much, I swear. Because I like him. Don't be I like him.
Even though
messing with the way they are. For more, by Asaga, maybe with the aqua. All termination, may what I go. Man, I want you go, maybe on your half. I was on your black neighbor and Aqua no man now. Because I trust me, okay? Why will you do that? No. Because you want to don't know I'm sweet, you are beautiful by yourself. You told me.
Chimo.
Sweet, even though you're not one giant faith, I'm an equal wine, but I gave my height, my any, but then I asked for one giant, one giant faith, one giant. Possible. One who did it, and I said, man, open uncle. Soon. Even if we height, you cannot consider power. Even as you get my can win a no again, can get a Mamuni you cannot consider sweet. He came go, and I consider what I done there, Vera, one up with that. So you have that now, we will go, I done one up with that. You have that in this.
With the fake account again, is Emma gave the Halagan Makai go with the fake account. Oh, wait for Nanya, it is weak. Because I know about a Galaga bitter sooner up or they have come more for you. They wouldn't work a mamma, but it's not good for you.
Other
all the two bit out there on my hand, I catch I did not
catch immigration. I'm not going to fake.
I did not catch you because if you had a tiger, your bad I'm not happy that we are saga here. They have made up, which is okay. You told her. You are a bitter soul. Oh, for your pocket now.
Onye na-agba ashịrị etekwana m na ya ka m gwa ya kịta repeat kwa myself. Onye na-agba ashịrị etekwana m na ya. Ọmandịkwa mma no man slide ya isi.
Egwu na
here now. I'll not go let am slide. B2.
Chinyere
nya asịrị nche ma maka gị nwa na mgbe gị tọrọ onwe ị ga-eme m na obere asịrị nche gbachara maka gị nwa.
Peter Okoye chere nụ. Onna.
Okay.
Chinyere bifo ị ga na-ewe iwe ọ ga-eme lekwe ihe mmadụ jiri gị ka ọ ga-eme ihe onye ahụ kwuru gị wewe iwe. Ị ghọtara ị ga just na-ewe iwe without emebe ihe mmadụ jiri gị.
Ọkwa mmecha ya ọkwa gị sị gị make we freestyle say see her condition. Ọ ngwa gị yesterday.
Emebe mmadụ kwuru gị na-ewere ya nwere ihe ndị mmadụ kọrọ gị sekwe ihe o kwuru gị kwuo ya na aba. I want to hear my whole cruise like when Swanky did. You can say why you did not hear anything.
I do go some no assumptions.
Listen to me. Listen to me. And my hair Jine Kwokwa now because of Mado Adu go for Swanka yesterday. That is what the way they write in Kwoku Swanky. But provided the mother will be like Swanky did. You don't have any saying against Agua or Jipake Bash. No, now wait until you did go back. Wait until on your barrage like Swanky did before give them away attack. You know, I know they do this kind of thing. People have forgotten.
So I do go carry them now. Sweet. So I do go carry them now. Sweet. Sweet. Sweet skincare.
So,
if we're gonna do go cost here now.
I'm going to go cost low. I'm not going to make a mother money cost no enough, but that's let it go. Maka onye mere has not the here cruise, then I let it go. You know, because they are supporting you. That is God and my bully amma. Look, I happen no more. You sagami, operate, Metriana herself. What I can one mother. But the clergy more for Ottawa gave feel when it was. So,
Abone guys, God actually me about Tamam Kid already. But later. So that's right, come happy.
Oh, yeah, to be seven million jogging.
One on the battle. Daro try.
You so sweet. Yeah, I do go to the one. I don't have sweet son. I do go to the yesterday. The Chimeninko. I do go to the yesterday. I do go to the
Chakwane kunyerege.
Sweet, that's all about that's on Gabi. Amaka na Emma work as
Agụba ndị nwere ezigbo obi na apụ a Chinyere apụkwa ihe ọ na-eme girigiri. O nwekwara ezigbo obi.
Ọ na-ekwu Peter chara ịgwa ka anyị mara Chinyere
ọ na-ekwu okwu ọha ikwu eziokwu. Chinyere onwe nche ejogo isi na onye ji gị gba asịrị. Isi na eji gị gba asịrị ma nte eke ezi nwetị gị ihe ahụ ka na-eme plan ka m ji gị kwuo okwu nwunye ị ga-eme m ọ na njide ekwuchere obere okwu.
Na mama one first of all ka gbagoro ga madị m onye ibu ị nwụrụ anwụ ka ịdị ndụ.
Anwụ m anwụ ya ndụ ndụ.
Ọgwụ abịa ya nọ n'ire ma.
Mba.
Amanụ m onye ibu na. Ama m onye ibu mụ na ga-ekwugokwa n'eji m nọmba gị. I don't know you. Why should I reply who I don't know? I don't know you.
Ejekwa nga-agba asịrị ọkwa okwu ka m na-ekwuru.
Enwere sweet kwuru ebe a na enwere ihe eji gị okwu just mee ya ignore. Do you get what I'm saying?
Ị na-ekwu na onwe gị na-enye anyị.
Maybe ka gị na onye asị dị or maybe you don't even want such things in public or maybe him
onye ma mara sef ọkwa okwu ịgafee maka ịgụ na
enwe ka ụwa dị enwe ọda anụ nọ na enwe ihe eji okwu na this app mgbe nkịtị even ma America ma anụ ya
Yeah,
maybe if I can on ya, if I go get on ya, maybe one or two. If that man that will do on ya, will give that work. You won't take it lightly.
Yeah,
Because you don't say you never use the person talk.
Ezo.
If I forget that, even me and as my friends, be it on this app and I'm as my friend on Nana Bachitegi, you can never see me gossip him. I'm like one issue. I don't know. People ask him several times, stand down to the immigration or no, I don't fight for immigration. All I do is, I'm on a wish with my friends, with somebody man or my friends. I come in between. I don't know, so if you can something that they are true, I don't know.
So she's beautiful, true.
So that's maturity. I don't do it. I don't go see. Nah, sweet happen can go. Now, Peter, I don't make my friends say, only pass me way. Immigration in there, and money and one issue. Many people will not know. In as much as I say, when Madu, we get out the immigration too much, or more, boy, my mother told me, now sweet, book of a book, what we are coming. One sweet talk. About I say what sweet talk because the mama goes, no, come on, no, can see one sweet. And one of that box, so go there. I'm not going to mention that. So, this is you understand? So, but about my sweet, I respect her. I don't to go more job. Because
sweet can sweet can
okay, generally.
In
why immigration na shabu na nekwana amaka na achọkwa iti no mu anwe this account biko gbogodi ma amaka na phone obakwa mu na if na anu na ache ba akwa you understand that is me. I can never stand on see immigration. I cannot the guy. I send the request over to so I would because gina sweet other forest so yeah misunderstanding or misunderstanding. So what I'm saying,
I think good afternoon.
But let me finish. Good afternoon. Kampucha on Ejiwo Kunondo. Kampucha just a few minutes. So I don't know Mado Abasri. Image na this app. Inga chagori your turn. Metru kwa gobera.
Adoga ogo to le olo zogo nke gang. Isi na muloko.
Senior first again on email.
Okay, in another wicked stone.
Yes.
So I say, Madu me na app, and get go your turn. Open up na gade, can we carry your turn on Koporogi? And what when I sweet na we issue. On abo, the Madu na after you no, so about a mamma and the we. But that's going to come on, I didn't know man and came mereme. You have to say that. But don't want to go, but I hit over what is eh? Check it. Also, about 3 years, you give it up. That place I soft I want for yeah, don't do that. Adam you have to go Adam code aka
oge ndị a na-ekwu okwu amaka atọmi ebe a o nwere ihe egwu ikwuchekwe kwaya stamp aka nne gị na-ekwute kwaya stamp ya
biko nwere nchi kwuru biko
Amarachi, come up and tell me what you want to tell me. I'm not going to
tweet it again. Onwere okwu a na-ekwu na mgbe onye okwu maka amaka adịrọ bad okwu ụgha mgbe onwere adịghị okwu maka ya mgbe ahụ asị na m na-ekiri okwu okwu
Kwiti, nke ị na-etiziri maka love emoji so ọ bụrụ na ọgba gị ka na ị ga-etiri ya love emoji
for you now we go
we don't rapport. Chimerinku, we don't rapport. Me and you. You know you're not blocked from your block. It's under blocking. I don't know why you are talking to me. I don't talk to you. Why are you talking to me? Have I ever mentioned your name before? Because I'm Uchana Beginish. You talk from your angle. And you reason milky. So, and I'm not walk with only reason milky. You reason milky. And I'm not going to shut them by yourself. If you go here, I'm not joke. And I'm not shut them. And if you look for me, I will come for you. You reason milky. If you come get a pregnant life, you take a picture again. I want Jazzy again. I will see when you. Are you mad?
MS na that in Chimeli. I'm going to get a last.
Are you?
Chinyere, onwe na okwojo na. Oh, Chinyere, we kwere m na-eme investigation na. Ọkwenye m fụrụ na comment section
This boy very stupid anyhow boy.
It's very stupid. It's very stupid. Your coin. When I'm talking now about host, you come now about game. Are you okay?
I'm going to check and you love him much. Check and you love him much.
Very useless beast. Oh, because I'm blocked. Yeah. Maybe I should have come and and here, first and last, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7.
Yeah, you don't have
from family, yes.
Adugo, in a bass and I brought one nigga.
Chimeliko, I don't tell you this thing. I don't tell you this thing last. I don't tell you this thing last. And when you get a motor or they call you a trigger, no, they do them. I don't like it. If you go this thing, I like from it. They try to watch every. Maro went to play, Maro the environment. I'm not going to become my word of Mado. Imaro moved on the trigger Mado Bomba, or the corner, and I like it.
So, neither banana put my fundamental human rights. Stone one, other mouth.
About a Barasaga Rogi gave Barasaga again.
Anna my fundamental human rights.
Saga Rogi gave Barasaga, no, what a. Yeah, thank you.
Amakas, thank you so much. Chekanti Korogi love you much. Come on.
Now, sweet to carry go to the coin. You need to organize what you do. Yeah, thank you. Okay, on about them mother coins.
I just can't do that. I want to know.
Chinyere, no wahala. Chinyere, the day you be serious about it, I'll tell you that you did investigation. Happen, you okay, Ruga, Kache?
But now, my do my way, I investigate. So,
what do you do, Maka? She won't date. Yeah, we are wishing for dinner.
So, Obi Kappa yourself, you know, the one I watch because we thought about yesterday. It's pretty equal.
Yeah, my do investigation name about Gotaniki for talking from onset.
No problem. Make way.
I want in the comment section. Don't instigate me. Everybody must cross again.
No, tag him up, Manfa. No, don't instigate him. No, you didn't say I do go, don't instigate. No, I will not. That's not me.
But think for the half of actually. But think for.
I'm not mad to actually.
Okay,
I don't lie.
I'm mute too.
If what about Kitty skincare bank is okay. Yes, that's actually what it is.
Because only you recap, I don't know, my mom and I can't instigation make okay, there's your way because
as if you know they gossip, send Mary.
Let me mix they talk. Not be
center.
A woman Chinyere, that's all Chinyere, no,
Anti-sense. You never go see person before.
Oh, Chinyere. Oh, Chinyere, you want to that thing, that first
time. Anti-sense.
she watch am be kuro na you should dey talk to na you.
Oh, Jim, anti-sense.
Swanky, is this for me?
Even when you to no be kuro ku go go. What she if you bash dey esi akona gafa who go.
I never buy shit. Odi we to go to that shit. Yeah, they will actually TikTok. Actually TikTok that talk, but anything I talk for it, but they try to come out here, don't talk.
Anti-sense.
Nobody can.
Jasmine.
God forbid. God forbid.
Jasmine, cake you know.
Okay,
no, nothing like that. Oh, now this sweet score, but I'm making.
Agi go anya go agi maka sweet, anya go agi maka sweet.
Oh, Swanky is sweet in your use filter.
Cookie, you are cookie.
I forget to hear.
Okay, so you gonna do go? Can you know agi will you take the filter?
Nothing. I just plug in a phone.
I do go put the idea behind the record this thing.
You go record. You record on our thumb. Turn the fire.
From where to where? Me and you the talk. From where to where?
Me they fear recording. You know why I'm record. Well, for where I get my evidence. When case come out, the evidence will shock you.
And I seen a sweet they use. That time I sweet the Jeffy na Nigeria that time.
Yes, all the Nigeria saying now.
Now, people be I beg.
Chile, come up with the platform or Ghana. Oh, I'm going to Kenya. Look, I'm going to Kenya. Chile, bye.
I then mute number one of when.
Wow.
People have been in our boss, so you in our boss. The first one. I'm going to go to the
when everybody money are born in Zio.
If we sat down and money come to laugh for my inbox and things together. Are you serious?
I do go here, I don't masha. Am I a baby? Am I when my do got the wish? Where Bososo na Arikapo na platform here. That is not I do go here, drama.
You people there, they believe I do, but she don't come my inbox now, come they laugh because she know it.
Yeah, make your sense. I do. I need to give
my case. Come through my case now.
Oh, I do go get a skincare and what problem is you instigate?
No, we don't pass that level. No, God forbid.
No, thank you. I want quite. Thank you because I felt like a prodigal son. Never. I miss you.
Baby, asking I'm bossy. Buso so na recap. You may hear this I do go be.
Yummy.
Osmo papa do you na type. Osi, there. No be that about you get belle be the way bomb pikin. Na she just came in na she be that. Buso so
just a white.
Oh yeah.
If you ask it, oh yeah.
I thought you just say hi. Yes, okay.
I bet you ma do ga. I never was born madam.
Hi, my love.
Give us updates now. You back.
Hi, Shin. Welcome.
Hi, my love.
Hi,
sweet skincare.
Hi, my love. Why do you?
Mr. Stop. Baby, I came up because of baby. Are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Baby, I've been waiting for you since.
Yeah. So, talk about
that. I don't know what I'll get. Morning crusade.
I'm happy.
Today, baby.
Let me go to shop.
Early morning.
Yeah.
All of Jamaica.
Where did you do it?
Nanke Jarabi was sleeping. So Jarabi, because try not don't ejekwana kill him in a life again because.
So you finished Buzuzu for us.
Oh, Buzuzu. But I come on here Buzuzu kumaka mo. What I say?
Who come Baja?
Immigration. The ignorant brother.
No, please, leave our mom here.
Baby now.
Chinyere.
I don't know which kind of baby they laugh.
Chinyere, they laugh. Actually, since I won't come out, talk about Chuzo. Chinyere, this is actually for talk about Chuzo. I don't know. I don't talk about Chuzo. Chinyere,
I do go fly window.
Make I break leg. No, sir, don't add weight. Make I break leg. I'm adding.
Still, in my way recording here, Buzuzu got me got him now. I don't know what he said.
I don't tell you what Buzuzu said.
Stay there. Don't try to stay there.
The parents get my last day Monday. I'm getting go to school fees.
I do go. As my sister, as my NBC sister. Please, because Chuku Kanji Yogi, because please tell this guy then they call Ojemba. Make him leave me alone. I don't want his gift. He should go away.
What
kind of evil gift is this one? Are you be insulting me?
Block him now.
I don't know why he's gifting me. I don't know.
That man, I blocked him now. The man created fake account. Now, I'm sorry.
All the my
accounts up. He came up with the fake account. I said, Jesus, I this mature man, I need the fake account. He insults me. No, I was so disappointed.
The man is after my life. He calls me customer. I don't know what they said where they buy.
Say they give him saga.
I shower like not my customer.
That's why I don't swear for. Remember why I don't swear for. I don't swear for that man. He just fake account.
It
was not like this. I don't know how. I don't know how. When you they find trouble. Now when they create it for them, church be this, official church here, be this.
Chinyere, you know what bed bug does to individual, Rabbi?
I swear.
That's why I'm black. Black like devil, yes. I say black, I say half black.
Shit, the Babona Zawai to Mabelishi. Shut up, my friend. Bloody liar.
Do you know I had to follow him? I will follow him.
Sorry.
I think that was why
I had to unfollow him. Remove him from my followers. I had to block him. So I think he changed his name at some point. I didn't know who he was. But the guy,
yeah, he plays at times. Yeah, he plays too. But
on not play anything.
That time. Everybody got from there. Who is this guy? Can't you rest?
One name was taking that guy at that thing now. Body in a tag one name.
Exactly.
They said Dracula. Not tagging my sister. He did that nonsense.
You said this gift is given as it's evil gift though. It's evil though. Because tell me what is this? How can you be gifting me? I cannot gift to my enemy. Why is he gifting me? Please don't take your gift away from me. I don't want it. Baby, come out there. Make she come tell me what she do. Baby.
God no green. Make her
fire. If Bella see what I do for our platform, she go block me.
Are you serious?
No, now you tell her she don't bring me up, ba?
No. She dey sleep. So if you dey private, she don't go know. She dey sleep. If Bella go back,
that is me. As I come, not bring me up. I know that I wasn't happy. Now
you come and Chinyere, wait, baby, you mean you didn't start that Buzuzu? What did you do?
Not be even Buzuzu. She said that
it was immigration. She had
immigration. Why did you do that?
It was as in if you see you as 300 and
Jesus. What time was it? Chinyere?
Early morning, 5:06.
Early paper Nigeria time, midnight my time.
I just
now what you take do us welcome.
My conversation don't talk. I baby. Okay, man, I cannot have issues with Tamara because of you, and I cannot have issues with you because of Tamara.
Just hear what she needs. Just hear. Baby, don't be in a hurry. Hear where she will land now.
Exactly. Just wait. Yeah. Otan no now, And I can see a value. Bro, we mustn't meet one-on-one here before I like you or before I protect you as my friend, right? I cannot fight you, no, you know that. You know, the same way sometimes when I deal with little fracas, we'll see this sort of battle. The reason I do those things is because of Tamara and Stephanie. If Tamara looks for a trouble, this is how I don't know about any other person, right? I like to respect somebody who friends with people that are friends with people I respect. That is how I flow. I might not be talking to you now, but I'm talking to Tamara. If I'm on this box and Tamara and you and Tamara here, I'll come down because I don't talk to you. I'll wait for an opportunity for me to be in that position when I get out of home. If I don't see that opportunity, I cannot be on the same box with you. Now, why am I saying this thing? And this is the same issue with all the baby. Right? I cannot insult Bella now, and we can work on Jackie now. Man, Jackie say, all which turn the fire Bella because I'm not going to
want to go down, Chinyere. Sorry. Let me make an announcement, please, just in case you see my new name as my man. I want to change my name to my man. So I'm going down now, let me go down and stay. Saga again. I don't say no more saga. I've turned a new leaf. I want to change my name to my man. Please, moderator, drop me.
Bye. So, I believe na at least when my friend me or if I can write to your friend and tell your friend to talk to you for me. I believe if my friend annoys you, can actually talk to me too. It's not free and public disrespect. I mean,
who is the friend? Who is your friend?
I want to my friend here. No, I want to somebody.
Well, I don't say immigration are your friend though.
See, baby, I'm not immigration's daughter. I'm not all those things. I'm not. She's my friend, just like I'm friend to her. She's friend to me.
I don't know if she's your friend though. Lie. I don't know. If not, I forgot. Cry give you now say immigration say you want bury me and my pikin now.
Let me repeat what she said.
What did she say?
All them the voice note. She sent the voice note to me.
Okay, what did she say? Play.
She said, I'm there. She said, I say no me burial for autumn. Becky, but got him gift. Me na say no me burial for autumn. No me burial for autumn. No can no imeno ginwa. Mbe pareria.
No, she didn't say that. She didn't say that. Us na obu no nya me burial. Yeah? Mono ka email mo na nwa mo burial no. Can you with another conversation with add my own child into the conversation? I don't give a fuck if she wants to say more say now oh yeah my child I don't give a fuck. My conversation with mommy immigration is can you leave the why did she bring my daughter into the conversation? Oh no, immigration.
I will mute you because you mute me if it's my turn. I muted you. Let's have a conversation. No, I won't let you attack me like that. All cheating. I can go one by one. Okay, I agreed. What's it in here? Now, look at why she said it.
No, she did not say it. I say, if what you ever made for and guess what? Off we go mofo. Oh yeah, that's why I'm coming for her own son. Justice for Prince Uchenna. Ebe kono.
I gotta go one by one. You cannot do that to me. No. You cannot do that. Okay. Justice, no problem. Now, P baby. Okay, are you okay now?
No, I'm not okay because Prince Uchenna was normal 10 months ago. Nobody here have seen the child. Oscar Mulain, Bieba, saying why a gift, non obatalo mugo.
No, I can no, you cannot do that. Okay, baby, now with this thing, let's go back to the main topic. Eba no now, like I said, I respect you. Imani be look at that baby, do you know come down for you?
Like a motor fake account, you refer everything as it's called that fake account. Go
I do get well to which and what you not to wish. In a chitty or witchcraft to the bad.
No, fake account there is something now.
Make me to wagi Jezebel.
Sorry.
Mutual. So baby, with this point of mine, like I said, if you get me angry now, I'll step down and talk to Tamara. I have Stephanie's number. I'll call Stephanie and call to see what baby is doing. Can you also do that for me?
More step but I get that plug in a phone.
Any other time, like him, I go do
I'm coming to immigration with your friend. I didn't know that.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
I do give you to this lady.
After some
what you got for that man who got do go?
Like own Rose Vida. No, na my picking phone. No, na my picking phone. If you guys want her number, tell me. I will call her number for you.
Baby, was go because one I because I'm begging you. If kiss go back at a about you.
Bonus Sagam is weekend at Apple. Now, nobody go get peace. This year, I do. And I'm not giving saga. When I came to you, what is this problem? I said, I'm not doing it.
Can I make that gem beautiful? I'm not going to have peacefully. He better be kind of my yogi. I'll wait for Cashin Sibatu. Yeah, but when I want to notice a baby, and what the age of this is, oh. As my person, as you are now, I respect you. Any day you see me doing anything, you come out to talk to me, and I don't respect you, then that's it. I'll come again with one small issue that if you can't see me on your DM, I wasn't ashamed to come there. I wasn't feeling too big to come up. I came to your DM and said, I'm sorry. Why did I say that? Your friends. And because of the way you work, Tamara will feel bad. Stephanie will feel bad. Fanny will feel bad. Oh,
Mana Chinyere, can I give something? This particular this lady make this statement on Sunday. Travel. Actually, I missed my flight that time, and then I had problems with this, so I didn't even travel that Sunday. I came back home, and I traveled the next day. So I am immigration at least 1 whole week. Kamalo, man, this lady, will she come back? If I know my recording the man Nabatalumbo. How justifying if a normal conversation muna immigration no or rapia where adding my daughter where put an see for you add my daughter near because we're 4 months. Guess what? Off go move. And I respond to go to her. Justice for Prince Uchenna. Let her bring that child aboard the better one.
Baby now. Baby, please.
Let me talk because in the sense it's my turn. Baby, people should take out children from this conversation. Instead, let's move the conversation to Okenya Rural that need a GoFundMe. Judo Nana. Only the GoFundMe. Let's move it to Judo Nana. Because Judo Nana needs the oxygen. I can help Umaka. Yeah, Judo Nana, he needs oxygen. Let's move it to Judo Nana. Because I'm a married Judo Nana GoFundMe. Only the oxygen, because because those ones, they are still very young. They just came to the world. So we don't have to put it on the children because they did not do anything to us. They are too precious. They are too innocent. Let's move it to Okenya Rural Judo Nana. Need the oxygen because the man.
Hey, Mama.
The man this time around, the man he made the man. So Biko, move away to Judo Nana. And I married Judo Nana. Go fund me. Baby, Biko no happen. Let's talk about Okenya Rural
Jude Nana. Only the GoFundMe, oxygen. Please. We don't have Omaka. Let's talk about Okeyara. Over.
Oui.
Ebe agbalịgokwa dị ụgwọ nwere ike na ọtaza soft bụkwa the two soft bụcha ndị nkem.
You see this app, this app will make you
man. And soft na ama me na ndị soft na-aga. Aya soft calm down biko.
Who is next? Onye na go next.
I don't hear Cookie, I don't hear Over.
Pretty Pepper, send request. You and Cynthia next.
Wait. Small people, they wish you with Cynthia.
Ha. Cynthia post through one Small Pepper and we on a page. Now that her page now.
I bet I told you now.
Sign a mean TK, sign Zorin TK out. That's the problem. Jesus, where is our chair lady? Tamara Kwani Biko P baby, how is she faring? No, she's not too well.
Getting better,
This is the way the budget sweet eye job as your mute. Any lucky number go see our picture go see the saga. This is the way look at IJ. That's your beautiful.
Sweet IJ next, starting with the S. Sweet IJ.
Sweet IJ, I just I do go in at our woman. Osman, Empress can achieve more results. Sweet idea, bravo. I would never say. My George in a you don't have to switch a Russian and get it. Never look the boot of your
we are resort on my home.
Some of you now quite Unama question to them. Unama question. Unama Quapadas. I do give
but no jokes. I like that. I like light soup. I like her soup.
You may see I do, but you may see
more. Ada. My father is an international chef.
I don't know if I married
I'm a pata. But I like IJ soup. What I like it is the taste that I don't know, but the look is okay. I like light.
Younger is the taste you don't know.
No, I don't know about the taste, but from the look, I like light soup like that. Now I like thick soup. I don't like thick soup.
I know I'm all behind me, man. I can see one picture of warfare. Only I said that a picture.
How do I say that?
I'm there. This was the picture. They come leave as a list, each or as a list, and me guy. So I believe them. No, now I say picture secretary of I don't like how they did it.
So what's up? Junior, can't come again. Can't give me to zero again. What's up?
I did. Baby, just style out one last time, yeah.
What else? I
don't want to say the saga. I'm not saying to a friend.
How about
the one on one side?
All the picture full. I go put all the AI arrange that picture.
Let me be honest, guys. Baby, let me be honest. I was joking. Last of all, Hanshi. I think it was around January, February. And the kid that was here, I went by Jacob. I brought them a we have not them a clear IG. I'm a model that is sick and a resikita. I'm going to see that thickner. I do my lion. I'm going to see that thickner. It will not take in the soup. Against in January.
And they make way the GMO or again.
And thickner.
And Kemama wee sie fa oji akwụ wee sie o kwesịrị
mba ochi na-akwụ oji ede nke njisie nri mụ if I'm lying achọ m ịbịa gụwa iyi oke na asịkwa na asịkwa I'm not supporting Nigeria ede mụ si na January February the oha was not thick agha dị m agari because ọsọ m na-eri agha dị m agari added gari yes yellow gari o wee tiknie n'enye a na-enye conversation nọ n'afọ ya bụ new Korean ọ dị tiknie so yeah, but for the you might go no saga kana wa ga just my kwara because na
so the problem the way I point out when the offer or
all the water and I want you that's all but na oburo na that's all that's not the water and I want you draw much near simple
man wa be okay man no use be okay
do I go to ma no my do is na no wura
and I tell no then which kind of saga.
So, I am Britain. And what most of us.
Asina poma the new rib because auto wine. I'm not to
oh, Royana. Once one Nadiano de cow. And then they shape hour. But our village in the area hour. All they call na about. But get up now. Who never got a Gaddafi. Gada nwa.
Ọ na-eme ya bad by bad next.
Ọ ga na-eme ga address. Unu nwekene peace na this app. Kedu na-eme do unu self?
Chinyere gwa soft emepere m ụzọ ka m pụọ. Oge agaala.
Enwere emepere gị ụzọ? Ora ado be wa gwe does be wa gwe na-eme. Aije wuru onye nke. Aije
na gwa soft emepere m ụzọ ka m gaa school runs.
You must be here. Ọgwa chere ọkwa. Ị ga-anọ here. Adu gị chi investigation na-eme investigation to ndị ọta gị. Emesi ya to Whiskey, emesi na that na ọdịrọ mma ewu. Mana ibe ekwensu. If the name useless investigation wow. Box ya na church kita. Ekwensu.
Use filter and on your cool that is all you had digging no be if you know.
Exactly. Oh yeah, do go church. Baby, you are really educated. Come you to put up here.
I'm change the trajectory. If people after changing this trajectory will come back to the main issue. Go ahead, baby.
Share the main issue. Because it's when you go to church to see no confirm no kuri. That means all you no be. If you now, if you are Swiss skincare, they use the filter. And Swiss skincare, they use our brand. Our brand. So she has skin. It goes in her brand, and she actually looks good. I don't think no they use filter.
But trust me, I don't still leave the fact that I've been laughing. Hey, Shin, you know what happened yesterday, Shin? You know how many yesterday? One girl came, can't give us gist about Cynthia. Shin, my sister, wait, make her plan for. Just say the girl network not too good. Where she was yesterday, her network was not too good. Her network was not too good yesterday. Or maybe her network on her speaker.
No, moderate.
Okay.
Before I call, we moderate. Not you. Oh, that guy, but okay.
Yeah, lesbian.
Osinachi, blessed child, we are here. Unmute one, Yoma, you are muted.
Okay, are you hearing me now? Yes, my love, I hear you. Okay. Well done. I greet you.
I hear you, don't they talk?
Okay, ọ dị ya nụnụ ịma ahụ m kọwagara gị ma encantement na-enwe onye mụ na ya ma ọ bụ almost 2 years.
Encantement with who?
With the Cynthia. Encantement. Let me introduce a business partner. Two times my friend we don't travel to a lot of countries.
Una dey hear the thing? Una dey hear her? Okay. Encantement, yes, encantement, yes.
So he can carry him boyfriend. That's the way in the relationship give me. I don't know. So, the only thing I know Japan account. My Japan account. I'm only for 500,000 Japanese years. Now, where the guy had that money anymore. Just only my girlfriend, I told me that actually never started to be after the friendship. So I was expecting her to team with me, let's battle the guy to get my money. I don't know because they change me. So they went on and home, people come able to come on me. Marry for my family, men, I'm able. So they say for my address and the mom self with the police. And the 5-star general. So I got she only get threatened when you know my fundamental human rights. And they make sense of the they call them I say they say one or two I just told now after that encounterment. But thank God say I was fine, but they were encounterment so she really messed me up. Yes. I'm a mother, I'm a family house, I'm paying, you know, I want to work today. I know in family. So that
Jesus Christ. What is it? Blessing, a question I want to ask you first. You say you and City, I don't know for how many years, 70 years, but 10 years. Who come you tie again? Hey, God. City, I just said.
That is 17 years now.
The money she paid you back.
No pay me time. No pay me.
It's like I want to talk like that.
I'm a for how many years? Even my mother got sleep by here. Now she invest here for a minute. But even how can they make a money? I don't know my phone. I don't know my phone. High grade drug because that boy is a drug guy. Can't hold it the drug. The guy is just a prison. And every time now, just now, so she make her head okay because the way she behaves and the way she does something. Every she on our plan, no way I plan. Well, no, and I'm a power now for my dress. I mean, they send the man a lot of things. Even that they are giving her money, I don't know. The way she handle all that matter. Mere mmanụ erizi isi nna this girl is her mental health your market low. Because that's not the way she's supposed to. Only am I with them.
Give my my leg and what's her full name? What's her full name?
I was trying to office man here. How I will sleep. I want to my time to get him man. But I will chicken make take him my money on them. It's the question.
Chigemezu ya.
Oh, it's the question him my but don't take all.
Why would we wear local street and all that invest here? Even this time about now, what's my party which invest? Saying one my invest the shake all of man. But cigarettes that invest at whom will a pile now gone on. Again, they got a cold who was this year. Mamma, go to that. I got that traditional marriage. My husband that day, I born a gentleman. Gentleman, I'm so that stream. Now, you can see the passion female. That's got no ratio of women, but she's doing it. Think I'm an omega for who was showing for her. Well, I'm interested in making come out for that marriage. You got the marriage before. No, this guy weighing one marriage. This guy is the marriage. That guy's a man. I don't know. Wow. But the money, the letter pay you the money. Where did you actually Cynthia from? Cynthia was over the West thing. Alright, that's the Opera, what village you are going to. Opera village, I go. Gamma mo yon na go.
Ojikwa kem na unu gbam gift, ana ma call record na gbam gift. Na no just since ya Buhari. Unu gbam record, unu gbam gift.
Ma ọ bụrụ ezigbo rekọd nke ịkpọga na agba anụ gị.
Oh, let me continue. I know they continue again. One gift, continue.
No, put ezigbo rekọd nke ọ.
Ọ bụrụ na ezigbo rekọd nke ọ gbaga na.
Always go record get the rain to sense.
Ọ dị egwu.
Good morning.
Oh, my bindi careful.
Hey baby, are you back? Finally back. Enjoyment mama. Enjoyment minister, are you back?
I just cannot fall back. I'm back to
See your gift. I see your gift. So one rose. No. I know they play again. Welcome back. Aluta continua. Thank you, Ashley, for your one news. Thank you.
Kego na Sara na anọ kwa.
I changed him there for together. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. So weird.
We can have a son Sara eti ikpe found.
Imama na mum na za finding Zara. Ona Zara. So
we get ikpe found because yes, a class of Zara. Come here, Zara baby. Zara baby.
Zara baby. Chizaram. When our first name was Zara, just Zara. Zara from the
I found the rabbit upon an because.
Mama. What's her English name?
Zara is an English name because even Zara was English name. Oh, the Zara was English name. Moi, he is the Igbo name. Chizaram.
Yeah.
So, no, so just when you go there, happen.
Igbo name ya bụ Chizaram.
Chizaram. Wow. Ka she go feature mabiri chanabo.
Yes. Ọmụ gụrụ ya Chizaram.
Oh no, I go ya onu you're not Chizaram better ka again.
Yeah, Chizaram ekpere.
Because yet I want na Igbo ga-awụ Chizara. Aha English awụrụkwa Zara. Ha.
Onye ọzọ gụrụ ya Zara. Which has its own name.
I'm not tasty.
Which has its own name. Mụa gụzie anya si Igbo Chizaram.
Chizaram, okay.
Yeah, but her name is Zara. And this is new. Yeah, that's new. Then my mom go anya Ifeoma. My mom be a hospital fear. Go anya Ifeoma bịara bem.
Ifeoma bịara bem. Ọ dị mma.
Even now the complete meaning of that name, but I'm not be Ifeoma bịara bem.
Ifeoma bịara bem, yes.
Yes. Oh, the first word my mom come here Ozo bata. Yeah, testing way former then.
Yes.
Your grandma can be baby.
My grandma Hannah Bongo.
Your mom would be happy. Oh, we got on the feeling on a back.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
I don't know something like that. See how you come.
Yeah.
The Maya had not stayed.
Yeah.
I want to not all this mother cigar. I'm on what I want their father doesn't do. I think we have some side cigar for them. Check out the person.
Is she what?
Your mom's first grandchild.
No, that's her. But that's her third grandchild.
Oh, okay.
My mom and a grandson, they 11 years. Where another grandson, they like above one. Then my daughter. And another grandson, I come like 3 months. Or 3 months, or 2 months, or 1 month. I let them newborn, I come. So my mom.
So that's a good mother.
Yes.
You know what?
About that. Oh yeah, I had graduation in like Canada, brother.
Oh, okay. Agana pampas. You are Korean woman or that complaint.
And so this 1 week, my whole family is in Canada. I'm not even or anything. They took care of my daughter like, I had full vacation. I could say once in a while. Yes, my daughter there went to at all.
I've watched before they come back.
And then, because I'm always with her, I have my eyes on my daughter 247. I know what she needs before she needs it.
Exactly.
It was that. Others they can get her change her diaper. Diaper can draw wet. Or just maybe one time calling 1 million. I change Gomia because I don't want any discomfort. Other I knew 1 million 2 times. Yes, twice. Immediately I change Gomia. So I want to hear now about a CRO like that.
You will be giving this attention to me again.
I am the mad people. Well,
now your first time, you just so now. Once you have another child, story, you won't even be remembering her that much.
I am the mad Neku.
Anyone second? ị na-anụkwa eriwe si mọ ya bịakwa nna ahụ ka o si nwee ihe na-eme na Asaba
Your village. Ana m Anambra.
ka ị na-abịasị ime na Asaba
Oh, mama m.
Mama bịa bụkwa nke obele o nke nnukwu ya ka m bụ.
Ana m Nigeria, ọ bịa
Nke nnukwu ya ka m bụ.
eriwe ihe o ji abịara Asaba
ọ bụ ikpe ka ọ bịa fụrụ gị na
Ka ị na-abịa gwa anyị ọzọ
Now I'm coming with my brothers and my sisters. How come the Kamala? I will go today.
Yala lubumbu, you'll see your Kamala. Yala lubumbu.
My own therapist, what do you have to say? My own therapist.
I'm a man and barao. You want me to come for 2 hours?
Anyway.
For 2 hours. Well, that's what I'm saying now, only 2 hours.
What are you doing?
I'm serious.
Anyway, listen.
Unfortunately, TikTok, maybe go. I would normally able somebody like you're one of the mature guys here out here, but I'm a fuzzy mother from here. I'm sorry. Maybe one of the few guys in there. I've watched you carefully. Yeah, but unfortunately, TikTok I asked.
Baby.
You're right. How about from Nigeria a few days ago?
Hey,
my therapist has told me say my first standing money from this app and I'll get saved. So
anyway, you know, I got a book with my
exactly I was not so sick of forget.
Anyway, I got from my
you know that now for you. You go like make a complete list now for you.
Oh.
Anyway, now since I hear party talk around, don't wear their fear. Now party say I did it you. Now party London, Ontario.
And they were my sister in London, Ontario. And they could.
Yeah, Ebakanga.
Yeah, how to buy close to me? Oh.
Hey, I'm going to
Let me say 45 minutes for my baby.
Yes, I did know.
I'm in Brantford.
Oh, Brantford. About them as no Cambridge. That
Cambridge.
African Safari.
Yeah, okay.
Angela, but it was beautiful.
I can come there, yeah.
It's beautiful. Like literally, I said, don't not wind down. I wind that down.
Yeah.
I say I wind that down because I know like 5 feet away from lions, like 3 lions.
Yeah, it's not far.
I see them wind down. Guess what? I wind down. My mom, I need I wind them down when I go. I'm in video. And when I go, Akuna Matata.
There were 2 safaris. There were one at Hamilton, where one at Cambridge.
Oh, Cambridge, We saw a lot of animals, like literally in their own habitat. It was that.
Yeah.
Free. Or brought a cage, you just wind down. Like
the Cambridge was just 25 minutes drive from my baby. From my house, 25 minutes. Yeah. I don't know where I know me and I have to go with the
oh, in area. It was fun. And Potasia, kind of around because they were like, oh, do you want to pay $5 to ride the bus or do you want to drive your own car? So we drove our own car. I just now got around. Kind of Potasia, we buy boats. We just say for some boats also. Yeah, but just go around. For like tortoises.
Thank you.
And then can you also I'm just a bird show. Different bird like eagle. I'm for eagle, different show.
Yeah.
So it's fun.
Yeah, Canada were a lot of tourist centers. A lot.
Yeah, it had.
A lot of tourist centers.
Yeah. Okay, you also aim for like birds. I'm for a lot of stuff. I'm back with train. Say, for not oh, okay, now that train can for like the tortoise.
And it was fun. Then before then, I'm Buzo Niagara Fall. Because I met Saturday as a Monday. I didn't go Tuesday, but Monday. Tuesday, in Elipa I considered Niagara Falls. So we stayed in Niagara for the whole day.
Sorry, you
do your wife about that?
I know.
I'm talking to your wife.
I came alone.
No. It's cancelled. No, don't worry. You're not keeping power.
So I'm by the boat, the Canadian side though.
Yeah.
Because I ain't saying about everybody's passport, and my sister wanted a US passport because I was like, let's open out everybody with a US passport. I put the Canadian side, I across so $1 just across that's the US side. Yeah. But I'm by the boat, the US boat na Niagara Falls.
Okay, Tiana, there is a map on my wife's video call. You know my wife, my one.
Softly, can you come?
No, as a Canadian, I thought they had access into the US even without a passport.
Madam, at least let me see one person from TikTok.
It's again, where is was
let me see one person
from TikTok. You say your sister doesn't have the US passport, but I thought Canadians
I want a Canadian passport too.
Okay.
Yes, I want a Canadian passport. Okay, bye. My sister just graduated from school.
Okay. Maybe apply for permanent residence.
Apply. God's grace, knock on wood.
How many years am I going to on TikTok? Or about 3 years?
On Facebook now, bro, from ever.
On Facebook, yeah. On TikTok.
But why not? Why don't you want to see any other person?
You don't want, no problem.
It's not about. Nah, you know, it's not this app, man. What's up? Then I call there. People be nice. Nah, I couldn't. My PAs, manager said, "Now, what they here? Yeah, now what's that guy name here? Why you but no problem. Let me consult my therapist and my manager. Let me consult Stone, my therapist, and the rest. People be I cancel go the meeting or just in no way. If you can take it, a party second or not. I
want to say picture singing in each church too much in a picture. More to your head.
I come mute to Palama.
Like this.
You mentioned
and that's a bone.
Actually, about 90 degrees. You made of 45 degrees.
90. Hey, TikTok go whine you, but no panic. No panic. TikTok go whine you.
Oh, God of heaven. It's well.
It's well, real funny. Real funny. I'm here, come on, man.
Oh, wait, though. Now, Jazz, now you be this, Jazz. Jazz, or go we here, Jazz.
Yeah, Jazz.
Jazz, now you be this. No be Jazz I see now.
Yeah, you make a Jazz one. Jazz.
Now, Jazz, Jazz, how far?
Jazz, as I don't come back, my baby is back with you.
Chineke. Jazz is there for comment section, no.
Jazz, come now.
Jazz, say hi now.
Jazz, come. I'm Jazz anymore. How come on, Jazz, come?
Jazz, I brought on your box now. Oh, once more.
On your box. I want to watch about the box.
Jazz, a comment that no come on again. Oh.
The guys don't want to like it, Jazz.
No. Don't they go for sorry? I know what they go for sorry. I know what they go no. Since this year, I've been me.
That's now TikTok carries it. And I guess I don't know. I know low key. Now but she won't come up. On private.
No. I want to buy a bubble tail. No, just ya comment because you come on for
now. Oh, Jazz.
Hey.
How come?
Apa,
they go fucking man. Where's
wow.
Akwa kita ọ bụ na mgbe ya ka dị mma ọkwa nga gafụ ihe eriwe. Ọ bụgodo azụ eriwe gbuoru eriwe ọ bụrụ ya. Anambra to Asaba kwa just so obodo dị 2 hours.
Okay, eriwe no bye.
Ọ nọ Anambra kita ya ka dị ọ na-egbu o disi n'ọchị.
Okay.
Ọkwa eriwe abịa gboru ma azụ.
Even self, Agmavia on Asaba, where's the Opera Summit? One day, Agmavia Asaba one day, Agma my brother's wife from Megara, Oga Dele Ayat. Agmavia Asaba next tomorrow. Oga Dele Ayat.
This baby so.
Next tomorrow I'm coming to Asaba. I'm at that summit. Let address. Can we address? I bring that down.
Public.
Come and see me. Oh, exam center. Come and see me there.
No. There's a button at all now. Biko.
No.
I will see what I will see on a public or maybe it's not can be at
on a public na summit. Check and
on a summit. About the records.
Wait. Oh, where man?
I sure this is public because security reasons. Is that okay with you? No, go ahead. Public or drop mat anyway.
Okay.
It's not okay.
I'm at close to Presidential Lodge. Presidential Lodge. I will tell you. I'm at chat.
Hey.
Lodge. I'm at Jesus Saves Road. Near Presidential Lodge.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Emma, here I'm on TikTok camera. Many people have the channel. I don't want to see anybody.
Exactly.
Honest, I don't want to see anybody.
Exactly, because
park then a village park woman not try here make you do allow.
No, you can't go, man. I want to happy about the homeless. What are they happy about is normally like so one person man to be out of even hug or make videos. But every guess I from hug anyway out of excitement kita. Every guys na hug with their pia can am na to go to jagum. Not to go chale anyway. Na ka se na opportunity get where na so many nonsense. If I hope there's at the close she is anyway. And you see she's trying to touch his body.
At the time. I asked you to go out to the Canada. They were Canada and I could carry the one.
Wow, my so tiny.
So if you are working, I didn't so very thing here.
My brother would you also.
I get this so tiny. Yeah.
Okay, you and everything.
Esto no para money
Marezo
all of put in and put ahead in our head.
Every story no stone ma apply US visa again here 10 years.
No.
100%.
US had a visa.
100% to again.
US had a visa.
No, all that stone to US long time. On one school now. Okay,
yeah. All these is better. And the stone no longer go about 15 years. 15 years old, all over there. I could not available.
The only thing us school only the more supporting documents. School near
supporting documents over the you need to know that. You need to know about school.
Yeah. You print statement were up to $5,000. My apply visa. I get near stone.
In a student, I'm not $5,000. In a student, $5,000. Student not alone. Ọ dị elu 5,000, ọ ga ebe 1,000 something.
Here need your statement and
your statement, documents niile school ga-eweta estimate.
Documents school ga-enye ya. Gị ya wee gabi ya ha ga ọ na-egbu oge.
Very easy, sir. Very easy.
Ọ ga-emenwu Canada for now good.
Ọ bụ nke iche ndị a na-enwere akwụkwọ nọcha na other country ma ndị jicha adụrụ ndị necha ahụ ka ma na-amụ amụ.
Ị mara ego dị na-akwụ n'ụgwọ akwụkwọ ga?
Nna ha amaghị a na-akọ.
Wee ego
na-achọrọ ịna TikTok.
In Malaysia.
Ana m Malaysia. Johnson, mụ ụbọchị dabe stone achụọ m ọsọ nwa wọ nwa face na-agba aja ọsọ.
Stone afọ ma ka nọ na conversation dewe.
Jipet isi adọrọ gị mma. Na Jipet akọ ebe ị na-ejizi my picture eme comment nigga ask up for that you know.
Ibu ka esi eji emezi stone na ọnụ m na-agbawa chirigodi ọnụ m na-agbawa ọzọ abụọ. Ibu ka emezi stone encourage.
Mana eziokwu ka a na-agwa gị na my brother eme ebe ara gị eziokwu.
Stone na ka m na-egere encouragement.
Eribe
ka m na-ege. Stone onwe ebe Stone chọrọ ịga n'ụwa karịa Amerịka. Stone chọrọ ịbịa Amerịka si isi onwe ya.
Na Jipet wepụ na apụ na-eji m eme kọmentị ebe ọbụla onye gaghị itinye ma piche ndị karịkwa n'ihe ụmụazị ahụ ịghọtago
o kwere ihe ndị na ya ọkwa nọma
na-emezina datin ọta ịkarịgo ọdọ ịchọrọ ipost ma ipost ome udo dị mana ọ nwere ebe ọbụla emere sọntịn itinye ma pikchọ ga ọtọrọkwa anọdụ fansi datin
iwu ma mmadụ o kwere gwanye
mba wụrụ ihe saga ma ị ga ajọ ọsọ m na-agwa gị ịghọtago
ngwa were ma ọ pikchọ mere
mba no I no go fit do that kind no when you pictures ndị mmadụ emekwe na my phone ndị emekwe gịnị kwanụ ndọkọtara wee pikchọ gị na-atinye na my phone ndị emekwe gịnị kwanụ ọ dọrọ na mma na
iwu ma man na nwekwa ihe ọjọọ m de onye m de na ya edem ihe ọjọọ na-egosi na iwu ma man na nwekwa onwe ihe ọjọọ m de na adebe na-etikwa ebe ụmụ nwaanyị mma m laikiri nọ ka nwekwa na ma my man dey with me
gị were ya own na-eme ya ọ dị oke iwere ya own onwe karịrị ya
nke m agaghị make sense picture m akastigo etinye m na very dark man tinye eme ya zuo ori
gị chọrọ ofu pikchọ onye akata wee na-emedo aka ntinye ọtago
amam akata bụ nke m picture m akastigo very dark man tinye picture m na nzuo ori ya gwasa ga agbara m agba ahụ very dark man achụwazi ndị nwa m zuru ori nwee pụta na this is I don't feel explain ebu eme video si release ya akwanye m na-arụ Bob na-ebu ya mee video
aka ifere TikTok today ebe ọ na-aba na aga ise na-aba na TikTok o nwere mgbe ọ nọkwa TikTok afọ m ya today na TikTok ọ nọ live
na-aba m blọkụrụ ya na TikTok so adị m afụzikwe mgbe na ndị mmadụ ga-aga fọm na mbiri ego ha fọm feki ya ngwa vidiyo kpọtazi onye a ka m kwụọ ya ụgwọ ya onwe onye pụta ifu saga unu gbaka unu agbala m na ndụ m otu a saga wezi ya na-emezi m na-arụ na unu agbakasịala m Paul Okoye iso gbaa m saga ifu unu niile
onye ị maara onye mbụ
na Peter kwesịrị ụgba gị saga kwa
ị ma onye mbụ ọga ị na-akọpụ akọ amụma onye bụ
Paul ma arọsị mgbe onye ọ bụ Paul
amara onye mbụ amara m onye bụ
ọgụ a PA onye eze
afọ m ka abụghị onye a
ị maara onye ọkụta
onye enyemego mpụta na dị nke onye nwa na-ede nke onye nwa
Peter Okoye
sinima na-abịa nwụdere ebe a mgbaza gị nke sinima ọma abụghị nwa maka alụbere nga ama ma ana m alụbere mmadụ ama na ife na amụ nkọsi na ala akọ mfa ana m alụba ana m ama atụ
but
mara maka mmadụ ama na onwere mụrụ ya ndị echi
o wee ofu Yoruba ama rubote ya ma maka ya
onye nke ahụ enwetakwara m ya nwanne ụnyaahụ na ọrụ ya na nwa ndabata siara m gwara na nga ma chụfụrụ gị nwa n'oge nchụpụtazie gị ndị ezute gị na TikTok afọ mechazie abatazi m ebe ọyọwazie gụọ Pita mi ya dị mma na ayọwazie m biko ihe ọta onye ahụ ife otu a ife ebe nne prezi onye a ị ga-asị n'ọchukwu nlaiki ya gị sị gị nwa oge echisef ekwesịrị na-anabata ya amerụ ama advat ya agba n'ọja onye ebeta ịgbago oge oge na-afọ hapụ agịrị nọdụkwe na-agbapụ nkata mana ọ ga-anụ ya mme oge ebe nche njem anyị ozugbo si na ihe dị ụta ama ndekọ na peji si akwụkwọ n'akụ n'ọsọ na peji emaghị ghọta so onye ahụ ka na pesi obi ise ọ dị ama mgbe ama njakịrị ghọta ihe niile ọ na-ewe pesina ihe elu anyị kịta obere na odi egwu oyi ozi ego egwu so onye ahụ ihe ọ na-ewe m iwe if not onye manụ like ewe ghọta nwere m nsogbu esi onye manụ like
thank you
thank you onye manụ like ọfụma bụ
onye kwu ume
ya stone gbara ọgwụ gị ṅụọ
chere ka m dacha gị chere ka m chee
ama m ka ije je kọmiti wee were afa m tinye na pikchọ gị gbara ọgwụ gị ṅụọ
oke o ji pikchọ gị o ji afa gị tinye na pikchọ ya
I don't know what Lambo is up to.
Iji m ụgwọ kọl.
Video. I will my picture tinye ebe ahụ amam ife
aka na akọ. Stone iji m ụgwọ money gọ no ịgba m saga o. Ihe aka na-ewe m iwu ka afọ tụrụ gị asị. Ịgba m saga. Iji m ụgwọ money gọ.
Nna amakwa onye na-abịacha saịdị ịmakwa anya saga. Eche m na ewu gentleman.
Agbadobe m saga o.
Ife ka m na-echi ya wan ife ka m na-echi ya wan nke ọ gbagotere ebe a ichema onye ka m na-echiwa onye akwụ onye
ibe onye asa gị ma ajụ si kwekwe n'ụkọchukwu bụ nka ife ụta ajụ m na na ihe na ya fotie ụlọ oyi sut si ma onye adịka gentleman ife ka respect
na
peji ebe ahụ nọ and ya my face dey na that page FaceTime FaceTime gị ya FaceTime ebe ahụ m bịara dị maka onye eze ka ndị dadị ahụ ọkwa ịbịa bụta ahụ ndị onye eze n'ọlụ Stone mechara bịa afọ nke ọ bata
mba
ọ batara n'ime
ajọ edigo m peji Unity 3 years ago
amara m onye ahụ o nwere mmadụ agụgụ
ama m the woman
nwaka thank you
ọ maka onye eze ka ndị bịa ebe ahụ
iji m ụgwọ money gọn
Stone gụọ n'ụgwọ eji gị nwere onwe gị
iji m ụgwọ money gọn ịgba m saga
na duiz aja adịma adama mbere ibugide ọsị ahụ ya kagide ya kapụta ya metụ nwakwa ịgwa ya dị njọ
aka afụtara m ezigbo ya
ịchọrọ ka ọ na-ekwu ụgwọ na kọmiti mọ jiri ya ahụ na-ekwe na ya akụ ego na confusion n'ala ọ dapụkwa ọ nọ na comment section ọ na-ebe ọ dabatakwa okwu ọ dapụkwa mpụọ ọbịa ndetị ya bịakwa ebe agwụgwọ m ya bụ nwanne ụnyaahụ decide go mmanya ezi ọna asụkọ m ya gawazi ọnụ ụwa alụ beti ya
dama na-efu otu a emego m invite ebe a na-eme ihe isi gị na egbe gị na onwere egbe abego m invite
egbe ka ọ nwe ọ ya atagodo okwu anụ na-emere ka wee tawa ego egbe na nwanne m ka anyị go ego
Peter, I don't want to talk because I know I'm very
ịmụ ya bụ chọrọ ịpụtacha anyị chọrọ ịpụta
I know fit let me tell you onye ọbụla mma in real life nwunye ime na ụwa ka ngwa nwunye okwu ọjọọ ọgbanwe Instagram ihe ọjọọ dị na o mechara na ụwa anọdị n'aka ma nkwunwu ya if I'm just not say get down shut up
ịchọrọ ka ọ na-ekwu okwu ịchọrọ ka bedia ịmago na na-eji akụ ya aka na njọ enwe problem ihe na-agwa owu dị ihe ọjọọ na ihe o mee.
Na-enye ya ka ndụmọdụ ịmago o nweta gị ka na-agba mmadụ ị na-enye ya ndụmọdụ gboo karịa ya wọ
enyi ahụ ịgwara ya bụrụ ọsaga ịgwara ya bụrụ ọsaga
na nke every time ọ na-akụ ofu akụkọ agwa gị ebe ndị prezi onye a ije ama m ebe prezi onye a nwanne ịkpọ iwere imedia transfer onwe abụ mmadụ etu ya ofu ọma mee ndị histin ntụgbu dị afọ ụta nwa na-eti a na-ajịkwara ebe ya
ọkaifu onye a enwe meeting Peter check and kọrọ gị just aka m akọrọ gị ahapụ just something wey you dey do wey still cover am in real life abịa enwe meeting anyị mee ihe na-akpọ ya bụ committee of enjoyment for the living like onwe ya anyị na-arụ na that meeting ọyọs anyị bịa esi ofe ogwu si ofe ọkwụrụ ofe owere rie nri ṅụọ mmanya gbaa egwu ọbụla na and ihe na-abịa ba m age from 40 years to 100 years agadi nwoke yọtago n'ụmụ ụmụazị dị ya all 40 years to 100 years ihe na-emebe a bụ just bịa mee enjoyment rie nri rie so this guy na-eme ihe dibịa na chifris ya adị mụ ama m ama asụ onye omenala but omenala nke m dike ndị ga-ema ndị kele nwaanyị so mbịa asị m lekwa onye dibịa abịago onye dibịa sị na mụ na onye abụọ adị m eme dibịa ma agwa this guy ịpụta adịghị na-ekwu okwu too much they know people they grade you based on your level adịghị na-ekwu too much on your level adị ọ na-ekwufu okwu
ọ na-agafe
yes ị bịara Amerịka gị na-agwa mmadụ na ị ga-eme ya isi ewuru ọkụ ị ga-eme ya ọ tụọ ya ka fibroid ebisapịa
ọ nwere ọgwụ ibi ọ na-emekwa mmadụ ibi
ọ ga-agwa onwe ya ara first
adụgọm ego ziketa gị na ndị
enye gị advice ya o nwere ana enye gị n'ime ọfịa gara ana akụkọ
ije na
adị nwanne m okitụla anyị ka eje
nwanne m maya David Ogo
na apa dị ọkụ George Rabbit m Stone biko ịnọkọta ịmara m ọkwa enwe ụmụ nwaanyị nọ informed these days ihe ọ bụla na-eme just avoid them Adugo nọ informed ị na-anya nnaba gị Ọlụchi nọ informed nwaanyị ala nọ informed zerenụ ndị a this period Babi nọ informed zerenụ ha this period ya na-emewu mgbaja FC
ebe ka ha nọkwa
nwaanyị alọ na-adị ekwuchi okwu
nwaanyị alọ na-adị ekwu okwu ọ nọ Peter isi gịnị ọsị story nnukwu ya na-ekwu
nwaanyị alọ so na peji and that day
story nnukwu Peter
emeni ya ụta nwaanyị alọ na-ekwu ọ na-ekweta mmadụ
ebe ha na-agbajọ
no story from onye ka nna recount ihe ndị ịtaja ndị ahụ mgbata FC nke ikpeazụ ịtaja ya dugabere tagara ọfụma ọkụja anyị
Adugo akọsịrị
nwanne m nwa m eziokwu tinyere a n'ebe a amara m onye ọ bụ na-ege ntị amara m onye ọ bụ tinyere a n'ebe a bụ karịa ọ nọ n'ọrụ
mmanya ka ndị ọsị gị na-ebiala ọkụ Chinyere is the mother and mother or their collective mothers Chinyere na mmadụ amaghị ahụ ya wụsị
na m amaghị ya metị ụgwọ ọnụ ya taa bụ dịkasị na ọ nọ n'ọkụ
Chinyere na mmadụ amaghị ahụ ya wụsị don't worry no compare ọ na mmadụ amaghị ahụ set ịghọtago
amara m ya na
ọ dị aja active na Facebook mana ịma mme ya
ọ dị abịa tere dị ọkụ ma bịa ọ dị abịa
ọsọ teretiri ka a na-ebuka n'agha
iji bụ ahịa Facebook ịbịara ebe ahụ ma na-ebi ọfụma na ịbịara na
enwe ndị ọzọ bụ agha na Facebook na-abịara
na-agwa gị ebe ọ dịka dị hot ebe ị gara esepụta mmadụ 8
no the problem bụ na that side unu na-achọ alliance always
ọnwa alliance a na-achọ ọ na-eji original a na-eji fat agbasa ga ebe ahụ eje weta infọmeshọn nne na nna gị wee kụba gị mụ nwere alliance ebe alliance gị ogechi ji agbasa gị nwere alliance ọ nwere na-adị eme ya alliance.
Thank you.
Alliance nkwụkwụ ndị na-eme alliance ọ tiktok na onwere mere unu alliance ị ga na bọs ebe mmadụ akwụnyere gị ịgbada na o jekwere onye nke ọzọ nwere ego na-eme alliance anyị na-akọ n'ụzọ ụmụ akụkọ na-aga ma agba ndịrịta ka tiktok na ego wee na-agbaziri mmadụ mara ihe na-eme na-egbachi gị na mmadụ ga-agba gị na mmadụ ga-anọ taa nọrọ echi oche njeru gị ya mgbakwa ahụ afụka m ihe ụnụ aka ebe a na-akọ mma ngozi na ndị ya
Peter ya na-agba nke obi ọjọọ ọ ndị ọfụla jiri obi ọjọọ ya na-agbabịa bụ ka njakịrị amacha eme udo ọ ndị ọfụla chezi ya nke obi ọjọọ
level anọ kịta a na-agbazi ihe karịrị obi ọjọọ na
nke nkịta etie gị agba ọgwụ ma obi ọjọọ nke egwuregwu lọtara ada agbabụ nke obi ọjọọ
ụlọ nke ahụ ọhụrụ nke ọrụ mgbe gaa na-agba mgbe ahụ ka ị na-ekwukịta aka na-agba nkịta ị ma na ọsadị na onye aha yes nwere ada agba ya aka edetezie ma ajọ obi ihe niile na a na-eme ka ajụgwa sam 25 sa ọrụ m n'ihe ha na-akọ
Stone ka echekwa George Rabbit
na George na-aralụ ka o tetego pa
o tetego o nwere ka ọ ga-esi anụ ọnụ m na litete it's not possible.
Stone, nwaanyị na-akpọtekwa m iwe onye iberibe ọ kwasịghị jọ 30 minutes ka m hie ụra gị hapụ
Stone
a ga-alapụ gị lala ụlọ ọfụma na ịma na
ọgabe late n'ọrụ na gị si m gị
ịma anyị gbakọrọ nwa
Stone kedu ka benji na-erezi ere o rebata na life gị o refugo
na-apụ onye ahụrụ ezigbo mmadụ ihe na dịga ya ahụrụ ezigbo mmadụ
onye ahụ agbaba m ahụ mgbe nna be gị asị na
onye ahụrụ ezigbo onye na mmadụ adọkwa m imekọ ihe hapụ egwuregwu
onye a ga-enye gị nshọkwa mgbe m na-aba gị anyị na-asị m na
onye ahụrụ
gịnị ya mechara
mụ na ya na-akwa emekọ mgbakwa mụ na benjon na mụ na onye a na-emekọ n'ihe mụ na benjon na-emekọkwa n'ihe nke gịnịkwa mụ na ya na-aka ụdị aka onye a nwere ajọ obi ya dị too much o nwere ezigbo ajọ mụ na ụdị ndị ahụ a na-emekọ
ọ bụrụ ajọ obi na-emetụ benji boy adịghị ibe na-enye nwoke nsogbu
na o nwere ajọ obi tu na wọnda ndị na ha na-emekọ ihe saịdị ahụ ha nọ
gaghị asị gị na adịghị ibe na-enye nwoke nsogbu
na o nwere ajọ obi ya dị too much mụ na ya ma mmenwe ya bụrụ onwe ya gawa eweghịgo m ya ajọ obi ya dị too much onye ahụrụ ya mmadụ ga-emenwu ihe nwanne mgbe m ji wee gwa gị otu a anụgo si ya ụrụ m ya na-ala ike ikwu udo okwu a betu mgbe m ji wee gwa gị udo okwu a ọ nwe ihe nyere ebe dị gaa
mgbe m sị gị na m adọrọ go line na m achọ dị ka mụ na ya na-ekwuke na mụ na ya nọ na bọks mam imigreshọn ya dị ụnọ maka mam imigreshọn nna na-atara correct something ọ bụ na obodo ya mụ na ya
anọ m na FIP fia ebe ọ nọ na nke imigreshọn na-akọsị nna m na-ekọshi
Stone Daman ebe abụọ nke anọ n'isi ebe a nke anọ Canada si nọ na Nigeria ọ bata ebe ọ dịrị otegodịrị ma o nwee ntị eju ya na ebe ọ sị na ọ na-eje exam o nwee ntị eju ya n'ihe bụ exam ahụ ntị eju ya kwuo eziokwu nlozo ya ntụ o nwere mgbe m gbawa ya afa biko
akụna ana m eji nke a kọndem okpupụrụ mana apịtị ndị na ha na-emekọ ihe I swear onye a ga-enye mmadụ poison tụrụ rapụkọ na joke
nwunye m ga-eke emere na-aba ya na-enwere ahụ George, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Just got ready for work.
Why is your voice like this? What's up? You've not had your big